Hey, good evening, good evening, good evening. What's up? What's up? How's everybody doing out there? Let's get it. Let's get it. So today on the live stream, the Apex accounts were still left open for the gold trade. They did hit. I ended up moving the target up from where I really wanted to get out at, but they did go ahead and I did get out of those around 46-ish, which did put me up around $200 on that session. I think just over $200 on the session. So we just had gold just now bounce off the VWAP. Let me just get that pulled up real quick. Let me see. So let's go see. Nikkei, how's the Nikkei opening up tonight? Nikkei's down 322. Kospi's up 131 if this is... Yeah, Kospi's up 131. Hey, we are going to give away 2 Take Profit Trader accounts tonight. 2 tomorrow, 2 the next night, 2 the next morning. So if you guys want a chance to win, don't forget to sign up to the email list down below. Let's get it. NASDAQ's trying to push up as we speak. Now on the NASDAQ, if we do look, we did fill the gap today. The gap we're talking about all day on the live stream. This is on the 5-minute chart. Scroll is back a little bit. Ooh, I need to add some more data. Put 3 days in there. Here's a gap from last night. Gap from last night was right here. That's what we're talking about all day, all morning on the stream. Right there. You can see this afternoon, we took out that gap. So, hey, Mike, what's up? What's up? Don't forget, if you guys haven't yet, ooh, I'm telling you guys to do something I haven't done myself. Shame, shame, shame. If you guys haven't yet, smash that lucky like button. Let's see where we at. So it looks like I'm going to be lucky number 20. Bam. Got my lucky like button push in. Let's get it. Hey, good evening. Looking at gold and Bitcoin. Yeah. Gold had a nice little reaction off that VWAP band just now. I didn't take it yet. No trades in the Apex accounts yet tonight. I'm only getting in those trades on stream. So you can see we came right up into the band, got smacked down. Gold was on, or not gold, crude oil was on the move up today as well. Look at crude oil. After we got off stream, just like rocket ship on the way up. You're lucky number 21. Let's get it. So get your likes in before the bots come back. But we're going to be giving away 2 Take Profit Trader accounts tonight. As we get closer, we'll vote. So we'll have the first place duck, and then we'll vote on the second winning duck. Will it be the last place, somewhere in the middle, or whatnot? So there'll be 2 shots to win a Take Profit Trader 50K account. Keep in mind, you pass these accounts in 3 days now, so it'll be good. So let's go. Let's go. Never traded TPT. Hey, this week could be your lucky week. Could be your lucky week. And wink, wink, nod, nod. I didn't say it in the video, but I may end up pulling a winner from the video that dropped today as well about TPT making a rule change. So you might want to go watch that video, like it, and leave a comment as well. Just saying. All right, Nikkei right now is down 600 points. Kospi's up 143, but Kospi was closed last night too, so. Dance the chicken dance. Oh, hey, Space, I appreciate that. How about the new blue company for trade? I don't know. Hey, Lee, I don't know what you mean by the blue company. Don't know what you mean. Man, I really want gold to pounce up here a little bit. 5 MFFs. Hey, so My Funded Futures has it banger. 50K EOD rapid accounts. I think it's a pretty good account personally. I got 3 of those. So, hey, so with MFF, a lot of their accounts, you can only have 3 live accounts. So, you see my old videos. When did you see the old videos? I don't think you've seen any for a long time. Blue is like 2 more, 3 more rapid. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Are we gonna push it? Hey, so if we look at the NASDAQ real quick, right here, I like this area, this minus development area belongs up to here. I like it. So anywhere from 137 to about 154. However, something that we do have to, I am struggling with a bit. And that is going to be right down here. Look, we've had 3 consecutive untested pointing controls. The one down here at 157, next one at 540, and the one from last week at 870. I still think we're going to try to make our way down to 870 this week. Hey, Jesse, what's up? So do we bounce up first and then end up going back down? Maybe. Hey, Slice of Zard, what's up? That could be the case. We'll see. Let's see. So, but in the meantime, in the short term, I do like some longs. I do like me some longs. I want to see if we can push up there, actually. See if we can push up towards this minus development area up here. I should have did that with micros. 138. So see if we can get up there. Nice in the alley. So we'll see. I am long one NASDAQ here at the moment. I am down. Went long up here. Well, I hope they move my target up a little bit. If it can get green, we'll see. Hey, Lex, what's up? So we'll see. Be going down. Hopefully, JD, we can bounce up before going down. Let me get rid of this. But over here on the ES, I really like this area as well. So 77.80 to about, I'm going to zone this whole area out. 77.80 up here to, you know, call it 77.90. Right up in that zone. I kind of like that area. And if we were to pull a fib from the high today, right down, that's a pretty straight leg down. 38% retracement comes right within that zone too. So, oh, the volatility's been nothing. Volatility's been ridiculously low lately. All right. Let me do this. Dang it. Stupid thing moved. That guy doesn't stop. Funny guy. Wow, just like that, we got more likes than we have some people watching. The bots are back. Funny. Let's see. I guess he just wants to help the channel out. No, hey, they already got the bots going. That guy was in there again. I banned another one of his names. So YouTube already has all the information. They're looking at the IP address and all that fun stuff, so. So it's not going to hurt me. Shade might hurt me though. I'm going to get out before it stops me out. I am going to try to do this with an MNQ though. That way I can get a little bit of room to DCA into it. So I'm gonna still try to play this zone up here. Right up there, all the way. I've already started 2 micros on it. Show you guys here in a moment. So 138 up here to about 153 is where I'm looking for. And it's funny, I get stopped out and then it's gonna rip. That's gonna be funny. So but here's the MQ trades right there. So let's go. Hey Crawford, good evening. No, you're not paying me to learn more about the markets. Just ask on the stream. I don't want your money. Go out long at 30K. I can't say I would fault you for that. I want to see if we can move up here though. Can we get up here towards this mines development area? Maybe we do, maybe we don't. I don't know. We have gold coming back down, which I'm a little bit upset. I missed the trading gold right here off the deviation bands. Make sure I have micros set. Okay, I do. Right here off the deviation bands, I missed that trade. That's all right. It's okay. You're not going to get every trade. You got to be all right with that. So, hey, Cove, good morning. Yeah, not much happening. What are you talking about? Not much happening. Look, we have 1,500 botted views, 925 likes. Sweet. So let's get it. Let's get it. Ah, we have a little bit. We got somebody playing games right here on the books. What, 30,089 ish. So let's go. You know what I want to check? I didn't check. I went after the stream. I went swimming with my daughter. How'd SpaceX finish out today? Up 4.45%. That's not too bad. Not too shabby. Bitcoin right now down 80 points. No, hey, just ain't right. It's fake. Somebody has nothing better to do than spend their money on views and likes. I think it's, we're gonna hurt you. That's all right. YouTube already knows about it, so not concerned. Let's see. Push. So what about the ES level? We already talked about that. ES got a ways to go too. So I wonder if we get a little push up and then they smack it. If we look over here, what do we have for news tonight? Anything? Not really. Tomorrow, we have a bunch of low impact news items coming out at 8:30. Weekly ADP employment change at 8:15. Pending homes. I was surprised pending home sales is yellow. Let me see what. Yeah, even financial juice has it yellow. Interesting. So need some surf coupons. I don't know. Like, I think it's pretty dumb myself, but whatever. They do them. That gives them joy off of. Get more views on a channel. Whatever. YouTube quickly gets rid of all those views. And I even reached out to YouTube, let them know, hey, somebody's bought my channel. So here's the screen names every time that they come in here and talk crap. So it's all good. So it's not going to hurt me from that front. They're just trying to make me look better, I guess. So thank you. Don't play with the ponies. Hey, so I do got an NQ on. Let's see if this is going to run. I got back in that NQ. Let's see if we're going to run up there. I don't know if we will or not. I got the micros on as well. Micros, I'm going to try to hold out all the way for the zone. This NASDAQ, I just kind of want my money back from that last trade. Money back plus a few extra dollars, maybe. Maybe. Hey, Eric, what's up? What's up? Don't forget, guys and gals, smash that lucky like button. So, push it, please. Pretty please. With sugar on top. Now, keep my eye on gold. If gold gets up in these bands. Now, I was swimming in the pool today, but I wasn't trading. I was done. I didn't place any more trades after the stream. I moved my target up on gold. Gold got hit with the Apex eval challenge accounts we're doing. So if I actually look at this now, let me see. How do I do this? So if we look at the Apex accounts now, this is the challenge. One of them is the EOD account. One of them is intraday trailing drawdown. And I was just up over just over 1,000 today. And then the Apex accounts, hold on. Here's the Apex accounts from the challenge. So one of them's at 52,280. The other one's at 52,283. So just going slow and steady on those. Just taking the VWAP trades. Only VWAP trades have been taken on those. Using the VWAP bands. All right, there's a little extra on that. Come on. Give it up. Give it up. Let's go. Keep in mind, we have the zone all the way up here. So I'm going to try to take the micros all the way to the zone up there. Probably should have got out my trade on that. It gave me what I was asking for. I was like, let me get a little bit more. Based on charts. Yeah, we shall see. So oil's up 38 cents at the moment. Let me just make sure it's actually moving. Yeah. Oh, that's funny. This one says down 38 cents. Mine says, why does that say down 38 cents? Mine says up 36 cents. Oh, I think mine, it shouldn't matter. Oh, that's weird. Gosh, dog it. Gold, I'm hoping gold can get back up there to those bands. I can smack gold again. Gold's been pretty good to the Apex accounts. All right, we break through this high. I'm going to close it as we break through the high. Let's see if they can push it. Come on, bust it. A little bit more. Out. Thank you very much, Mr. Markets. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And the micro trades, again, I'm trying to push the micro M and Q all the way to the zone. So again, 138 up here to about 154-ish. 53, 54, somewhere in that ballpark. The two micros I put on right now are currently up 69, 65 bucks. So we'll see if they'll keep on pushing. So hey, Eric, I think you'll be good. I like this zone up here on the ES, MES. So 77.80 all the way up here to 90. Kind of a 10-point zone somewhere up here. And right kind of in the upper part of the middle of it, we have the 38% retracement from today at 77.86. Today we did close below value area low. So a high probability we go back to 76. So yeah. All right. Unox is finally moving to other offerings on their prop accounts. Yeah, I've never traded with Unox. Never traded with them. I know they're another firm that has cheaper accounts, cheaper priced accounts. So I need this to push. I need that NASDAQ to get into the zone so I can kill those micro trades. We'll see what happens there. Hey, Adam, what's up? Blew up your 50K legacy. Now you have one account left. Hey, you can get plenty of payouts from one account. I was twisting Jesse's arm for a long time. Quit buying 20 accounts at a time. Use their money to get a payout on one account and use that money to buy more accounts if you want more accounts. Otherwise, when you blow up, man, it hurts a lot worse. So what is gold? Gold's up 13 right now. And because I'm really jonesing to short gold, let me do some looking over the charts. Ooh, I might want to be careful on this. Yeah, see, I've never taken time off when I lose. I think when you lose, you should at least keep smashing that button in sim account. Because then you have no, if you lose, it doesn't matter. You can hit reset, it costs you nothing. You will need a data feed to do that though. So a prop firm like Lucid, where you have forever to pass it, would be a good option. And just trade sim. No, hey, poor guy, it's all fake. Somebody's botting the channel. They're trying to hurt the channel. So, whatever. So we'll see. Go back and look at the VWAP bands. We came right back to the second band again, but I want to see a little bit higher before I try to swing at that. Nikkei right now is trying to come up off that low. Kospi's up 186. Hey, Apple, good evening. So we'll see. Tris, it's all good. It is what it is. YouTube knows about it, so it's not gonna hurt me in that way. Hey, the block, what's up? It's like a zoo. Man, come on, keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. Get that micro up to the area. Just like being here so much. Hey, Raj, good evening. Man, I'm really jonesing. Hey, Raj, I'm jonesing in short gold. I'm jonesing. I'm not going to do it yet. Man, oh man. It's calling my name. We also have the NASDAQ up here in the deviation bands. I thought about it, but the problem I have with the NASDAQ shorting it right here is we still have this zone up here. I think we're trying to make it up towards. Yeah, I'm worried about the NASDAQ trying to make it to the minus development area though. So I think we might ride the bands a little bit more. If that's gonna be the case, I think I'd rather hold off just a wee little bit. Hey Raj, gold did hit the target. Well, I moved the targets up on the gold trade from the stream this morning. It hit like at 2 something this afternoon. I sat in that thing all morning, part of the afternoon, and thankfully it finally hit. So we did get the $200 for the New York session today in the Apex challenge accounts. So I think I'd make another 700 something dollars. So theory, what, maybe another 2 days, 3 days? Hopefully, knock on wood, no losing days. Losing day would definitely set it back a little bit. And look, the trade I don't take is gonna end up producing a little pullback. Yeah, I think I am gonna trade in the same way in a PA account, just so we get a apple to apples comparison. So one of them is a legacy account, which means unlimited payouts potential. The other one is the EOD account. So yeah, 20 points. Well, right now I have up 30 cents. That would have been a decent little trade though. So let's just assume I got in near the upper regression channel. How far we moved down? That's only 13 points. Yeah, it's not much. It looks a little bit more than that. But I guess when we look at total range tonight, it's only 52 points so far. 50K Apex EOD account. You know, it's funny. I've talked to, so I like the EOD accounts myself. I was really surprised at the traders I talked to that prefer the intraday trailing drawdown accounts. Because you hear everybody talk about intraday trailing drawdown online. A lot of traders actually like it. Really surprised by that. Oh, 30 points. Oh, you're going all the way to the VWAP. 30 points though. Still about 120 bucks. Ish. Yeah, see, Raj likes intraday. I think they're harder myself, but they do tend to be cheaper. So if you can get the intraday trailing drawdown accounts, get them passed and actually get the payout, man, the EOD account should be a breeze to you. Yeah, Finite likes both. Yeah, I mean, Raj, the good news is it teaches you to take profit. That is the good behind it. I want to see gold just spike up. I'm really like, come on, gold, just smack it. Please, 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 please. Amazon's being sold off, not sure why. No, I still think we have a little bit lower to go just for a minor retracement. Right down here to that 870. That'd be minor. Actually, I'm kind of curious. If we just do a fib from this last little leg, it'd be between the 50 and 61.8. Closer to the 61.8 level. Gold's not really moving a whole lot tonight. Gold has been really rocking and rolling, but Mike says intraday trail and drawdown stinks. Yeah, some people hate it. Some people love it. I was really surprised by the people I talked to that say they prefer the intraday drawdown. I was like, really? You hear all the negativity online. Oh, it sucks. Bah, 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 bah. And hear how many people actually still prefer it. It's quite surprising. So. All right, NASDAQ's still trying to come back here a little bit. So I only have 2 of these micros on here at the moment. If we do come down low enough, I do want to add to this M&Q. Oh man, let's go check it out. Dollars. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Let's go see how dollars did. Dollar bills, y'all. Let's see. Let's see. He's been having some really good stats. Let's see. $438 tonight. 2 trades. 100% win-loss. Largest winning trade. 314. Oh, man. Congrats. Can't really compare the losses because there are none. That's awesome. Hey, good deal. Good job tonight. Root canals also. Oh, man. I'm watching gold. I'm watching it. I got my eye on you, gold. Live shouldn't be lagging. Maybe it's all the bots lagging it. Hey, poor guy. There's not 10K watching. There's probably, in all reality, we've had about 500 people through the stream in the first half hour. There's probably 200-ish really on here at the moment. We'll probably peak somewhere around 300, 350. Thank you. Just dropped. I don't really see it. Dropped a little bit right there, then right back up. Yeah, hey, you can have 5 pros and 2 evals at the same time. You can, Lobster. I haven't seen him change that rule yet. Really surprised they changed the rule from 5 days down to 3. So. Partridge in a pear tree. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Ooh, I gotta charge my phone. I got to charge me phone. Trying to charge my headset in case Jesse decides to creep in on us today. Hey, our competition's good for us. Oh, hey, Mike. So Purdy actually emailed me again today, asking me, hey, are you sure your account's already ready to go, but are you sure you still want the new accounts? They got new accounts they're going to be coming up with. They're trying to get everything with Tradivate all set up. And I said, I just want to wait till the new accounts are out. So anybody that buys a new account, I'll be dealing with the same rules, which are not going to be as good of rules. Meaning there's going to be a buffer before you can request a payout. I don't mind that. I plan on waiting for the buffer anyways. If I said the new account, I could actually make a withdrawal on day one, but I said I'm going to wait. So it's going to be about 2 more weeks or so. They're working with Tradivate to try to get the new accounts all set up and finished. So they asked me again, hey, are you sure you want to wait? And I said, yes. I want to wait. I want to have the same rules that everybody else is going to have. So I've been waiting on that. So I do. I had the option, Mike, to go by the old rules, but I didn't want to go by the old rules. I want to deal with the same rules you guys got to deal with. Not like, well, you can only do it because you have different rules because your grandfather did on the old account. Nope. I want the same rules. Yeah, Sean. I mean, even from day one. So Top Step had it banging back in the day. Top Step, in order to pass, you had to pass the evaluation twice with step 1, easy rules. And then step 2, you had to follow all the rules like once you get funded. And then you had to get funded and then make the whole goal before you can even get a payout. So there was 3 steps before you ever saw any money before. Now, that's the thing of the past. People will be like, yeah, I don't want that. You know, people, Apex really switched up the game. You know, came in with cheaper accounts, and then now you got Lucid. Lucid came out with a one-time fee. Tradify follows suit on it. Tradify and Lucid are very, very close in my opinion. Very, very close. They have a lot of things the same, few things different. And now we have 4 different prop firms, at least 4 prop firms that we can trade. We can get daily payouts. Take Profit Trader, they've been the OG and payout policies forever. Then yeah, My Funded Futures, which they have a banger account right now, 50K EOD rapid account. So it's EOD drawdown throughout the whole evaluation and the funded stage. I'm not in gold yet. Hey, David, I'm not in gold yet. I'm hoping to get in gold. I'm not in it yet. So I'm sitting here drooling. When you see the drool dry up, I'm probably already in it. So it costs me right now up 238. But I'm hoping gold will pop up a little bit and I can maybe short it. I want to see it rise a little bit faster than what we have going right now. We can make the case that there's an ABC pattern like this. All right, something like that. And that target would be up here right around 45.07. Then when we dive over and we look at it, was it the 4 hour? Yeah, the 4 hour. That ABC pattern is going to take us right near those highs over there. Right up in this area. I feel like we're trying to come up towards this area. So I'm trying to be patient. I want to wait. I would like to see us get a quick spurt up there. And then what I'll do is I'll look to fade it back down. But we got to get up there first. We're not up there yet. So got to hurry up and wait. So I'm not trying to jump on it right now. At the moment, I got to wait. You open a long? Hey, so if you're in a long, my target would be the ABC pattern completion. We've already taken out the B point right here. Doesn't mean it won't be a failed pattern. In order to have a busted pattern, you have to trade below 45. I'm sorry, 44.54 in order for it to be a busted pattern. They're like, what did you show as simulated results on Ninja? I don't know what you mean by that. When did I show simulated results? I don't know what you mean. Are you talking about the Apex accounts? These are evaluation accounts. You're talking about these? I've been doing the challenge for this session 13 or something. They're at $2,280 of profit. No, that's actual Apex evals. That's not simulated profits. I didn't show no Ninja Trader backtest results. I don't know what you're talking about. You must have been on another stream. Wasn't me. Oh, somebody's report card. Oh, I got you. Hey, so that was dollars in the chat report card. I missed that. No, that was his actual trading. All right, I don't know what trades he placed. He's been sending it every night. He's had some banger results. That's his own stats that he sent. Look, today, 817. So $438. So 100% win loss, 2 trades. So it's not backtest results. Yeah, I didn't understand. I was like, backtest results. What are we talking about here? Gosh, darn it. Stupid gold. The gold trying to flirt right there with the second deviation band. It's not there yet. I don't want to swing on it yet. Not ready to swing. Not ready to swing. Yes, pulling back here a little bit. NASDAQ's trying to pull back. Let's go see what the Nikkei is doing. And Nikkei is trying to come up, fill the gap. Still down 200. Kospi's up 230. Kospi gapped up, just keeps going. And HSI is going to be opened up here in about 47 minutes. Bots suck. I think it's funny because I don't really care about vanity metrics, so it doesn't really matter to me either way. Oh, you hurt me so bad. Making it look like I had 10,000 viewers. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I agree with that, Raj. Need some momentum. I like to see gold. Now, I don't want the momentum in gold. If I fade the band, I don't want that momentum to kick in as I'm fading the band. I want to get in, then let the momentum push on the way back down. But I'm trying to hold out here a little bit before I smack gold. I'm really trying to stock gold on NASDAQ. We're up here at the bands, but because of what we have going on over here on the 30-minute chart, I want to hold off. I want to see if we can get to that minus development area on the profile. So hey, finite. So if you want to see Fibonacci retracement, you want to look for where the impulse is. So if you look right here, here's the impulse move right here. So on this move here, we would start at the bottom of it and then pull the fib all the way to the top. Now in this move right here, we have an impulse move down. So on this one, we could have drug it from the very top and then at the bottom, and then you would have got your Fibonacci ratios. Just like today on the move down, I'd consider this the impulse move down. So the 38% retracement is going to be right here, right around 148. So if the impulse move is down, you start at the top and pull down. If the impulse move is up, you start at the bottom and then you pull the Fibonacci to the top of the swing point. And think about Fibonacci, nothing more than a tape measure. That's all it is. All it is a tape measure. I know it sounds cool, Fibonacci, but just tape measure. Hey, so 38% retracement. A lot of times when we come to that, the market will consolidate or pull back a little bit. Now, if we pull back from the 38% retracement, let me draw this back out real quick. Then we want to look for something else as well. So let's say that we make it up here tonight, tomorrow morning, whenever. We hit the 38%, maybe we overshoot it a little bit. Then we start coming down. When we start coming down, we want to look for evidence. Are we going to produce a higher low? If we do, then we have another pattern that starts to set up, and that would be an A to B equals C to D pattern, which could then maybe take us up higher towards another Fibonacci retracement level. But on the retracement back down, let's assume that we make it all the way up to 38% retracement. if we do, I do not want to see the market come all the way back down below the 78.6 level. If it does, then I expect we're going to do 100% retracement of that move, which means we're going to come all the way back down towards that low. So see gold rolling over a little bit. I need gold to go higher. String B, don't look at the numbers. They're all fake. The likes are fake. The current viewers are fake. But you guys smash that like button. You guys can help that out a little bit. So, nah, F the 23.6. Jesse does like the 23.6. I'm not a fan of it. Not a fan of it. Yeah, sometimes it does hit and then rejects off that, but I'd rather see a little bit more of a retracement from my own personal self. But good morning, traders. Hey, so where are you at where it's morning time? It's nighttime where I'm at. I think it's pretty fascinating to see people from around the world. So what country are you from where it's morning? Set up from scratch. Oh, Germany. Nice. Nice. That's pretty cool. We can get to converse with traders from around the world. Pretty neat. Who would have thunk that 20 years ago, 30 years ago? Come hang out online and just talk with one another. Doing a portable rig. Yeah, it's, hey, so, hey, String Bean, you can export your workspace on your computer to your new rig. And that way it'll make it a lot simpler. You'll probably have to rearrange windows, but you can probably get it pretty close. You don't have to do everything from scratch. Yeah, 20 years ago with chat rooms. I still remember like, man, it'd be so awesome if we could see each other talking on the phone. You know, your friend's over your house or you're at your friend's house. He's talking to his girlfriend. She has a friend. You guys start talking like, man, it'd be nice if I could see this chick. Oh yeah. Maybe it's a good thing she can't see me. That way she doesn't just hang up before she gets to know me. You at work? Nice. So the micros, I'm still up $74 on here at the moment. But again, I'm trying to push these micros. Only got 2 on at the moment, all the way up towards this zone right here. So anywhere from the bottom of the zone, we say around 138, all the way up here to about 153, 154. Somewhere in that zone, I'm going to look to peel those off. Unless we get some crazy spike right through it, just blazing right through it. Yeah, it looks good on paper. Yeah, that's the funny thing. Sometimes things look good on paper. Then real life is like, eh. So. No, the 2 micros are not Apex. I've not placed one of the Apex trades yet. I've been really stalking this gold. I'm hoping gold can get back up in the bands again. I really want to smack it. Hey, so overnight, depends on what you consider overnight. So let's say I put a trade on right now. All the prop firms I trade with, all 6 of them, I can hold the trade until the next day. I have to be out anywhere from 4:10 to 4:45. Now, if you want to hold it past, we'll just say 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock until the following day, none of them let us do it. I trade with Take Profit Trader, right now 50% off. Trade with My Funded Futures, Lucid Trading, Tradeify, Perdia, and Apex. So, yeah, none of them that I trade with allow for 48-hour holds or holds over the weekend. All right, we're still pushing. Micro is now up 102, 103. So I like it. Oh, there you go. There's one that does. I've never traded with them, so I don't know. Hey, how big a size they let you have though, Benjamin? Let you hold overnight except for Fridays? Bring it up, boop, right back down. I'm still watching gold. I'm hoping gold can get a quick little spike up. Always EOD. I prefer EOD accounts, but I can trade the intraday accounts too. I think it's just one less thing to worry about. Trade bubble in a 2-minute. Might actually adjust my trade bubbles tonight. I think I'm going to push them down a little bit, and I'm going to make them a little bit bigger. And on the 1 minute, I had a trade detector bubble right up here. I had seen that a little bit earlier. Maybe I would have did a little trade on that. First prop you got to pay out with. Nice. $55 static, 25K. That static account's pretty cool too. With a static account, you get more and more buffer built up. That'd be pretty good. Hey, String B, I don't disagree with you. I prefer EOD accounts myself. But you know, there is a place for some people do like the intraday accounts. I was really shocked. Some people prefer the intraday accounts. Raj says he prefers the intraday accounts. So yeah, well, the market slowed down quite a bit too. These markets have slowed down substantially. So I was like, come on, gold, don't go down on me. Don't you do it. Yeah, I have an intraday and an EOD account. They're both at the same. They both have all their drawdown. At least I'm assuming. Maybe they're missing a couple dollars. A drawdown, maybe. Fastest path to live. I don't know about that, Benjamin. Purdy has a pretty fast path to live too, but you can take the intraday. I'm sorry, the instant funded account. And once you hit your profit target, you go straight to live. Come on. Can't bring the market down. Bring it down. Down, down, down. But let gold go up, 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 up. I like to see a big fast candle in gold. Oh, hey, Benjamin, that's how my Purdy account was. 100K account, make 3K, you go to live. Huh. So. Hey, what's up? What's up? One day. Oh. Yeah, it's faster than one day to live is faster. Hey, where are they out of, Benjamin? Where's that company from? I'm trying to come down here a little bit more. From France? Yeah, look, right here down. Watch, we gotta go all the way to VWAP. That's gonna upset me. Right? Only because I didn't take the trade. Oh, UK? We are below the lower regression channel. That is sloping upward. We did not hit our zone yet. Not hit the zone yet. Just some wicks here, though. Peanut butter roof through your mouth. Oh, come on, gold. Just go up. All right, F it. I'm going to try another pop long, only because we are below the lower regression channel right here. I'm a little bit fearful of that VWAP right there, but I'm going to give it a little shot. I'm not going to go for a whole lot in this. I'll kill the trade early. You know, if I'm up $100 on it, I'll be happy. We do have the EMAs cross bearish, so I have a lot going against me with this trade. Yeah, it probably is a short. At least back down the VWAP. But I just want to see if I can get a little pop back up since we're below the regression channel. And it may. Now, just trying to get a little bit has caused me a lot of pain over the years. I find it's a lot easier to trade if you can see a big move and you just try to take a small piece of it, than see a small move and try to get a small piece of it, or get a majority of that small piece. But that wasn't that intense. Gold's on the move up. Still a little way. If we can get gold up about another 12 points, I'm going to be interested in trying to short it, I think. So let's make sure my hotkeys are all set up. So I keep my finger on the hotkey to close there out. Oil's only up 21 cents. Oil had a pretty good run this afternoon. Yeah, if you're full port, then it would definitely be intense. Yeah, actually, I love these screens. I don't have as much eye strain at the end of the day. I can see, I feel like I got all usable space on the screen, so I really, really like them a lot. I'm really upset I didn't do this earlier. Now, if we look at gold, gold is trying to pump here. So let's see if gold's going to give me my wish. All right, gold's trying to get into the bands. I really want to see the gold up here around 4,500 to 4,508, ideally, is where I'm looking to short it. When I say short it, looking to short it in the Apex accounts. Iran hit Saudi oil tanker. Yeah, I don't know what's up with the U.S. moving troops out. They're moving supplies and stuff out. Like I said, a little bit worried about that VWAP. Just hoping for a little bit of pop before we go down the VWAP. Might not get it. Yeah, I heard about that. I need gold up a little bit more. Gold needs to go a little bit higher. so I can smack it real good. Come on. I'm only trying to make roughly $100 on this trade. Then I want to close it. Not looking for a huge move. Come on, gold. Don't pull back, you son of a biscuit eater. I need you to keep on going. I need gold to keep going up so I can short it. We're not there yet. Not too bad. Oil prices keep pumping. Oil's only up 36 cents tonight so far. No, hey, what was that announcement? Dollars, I didn't see it. What was that? Hmm. 9 p.m. to 4 a.m. Oh, you're talking about NASDAQ as in... I was thinking NASDAQ is in NQ. I'm like, we already trade between then. Oh. Right over my head. It's going to get me. That's what I get trying to be cute with it. Well, we trade the futures markets are up open all night. They only close down for 1 hour a day. Can't trade tonight. Yeah, go spend time with the family. Sure, family's more important. Yeah, I agree. Put options 23 hours. We definitely need a limit order then. Back in the day, those spreads on the options were ridiculous. Ridiculous. I remember having an Options Express account. Man, talk about raping you on commissions. Golly. They did you dirty. Man, it was like so high. We're gonna come out together. We're gonna hit that darn VWAP. So I was a little bit worried about. Completely abuse the retail traders. We get all their money. Gold trying to come down, you sorry piece of crap. I need gold to go up. What's the play tonight? I need gold to go up a little bit more so I can short it. That's my main play. And then on the NASDAQ, my micros are up 11 bucks. But on the micros, my play is I'm trying to run towards this area up here, 138 to about 154 with some micros. So wow, that's close to stopping me out. Look, we basically wicked VWAP. We got the regression channel trying to go sideways though. Storm's about to move out. Gold's trying to go back up. I'm trying to be patient with gold. Trying to be patient. So I can, pow, smack it. Smack it real good. So now we already came down and basically wick VWAP. Might look for a little bit more out of this move than just $100. Might look for a little bit more out of it. And that might be my undoing. Come on, gold, don't go down. And don't forget, we have the HSI opening up here in about 24 minutes, 23 minutes. Oh man, I didn't do it today. Dog it right back down. You stupid market. Let's see. Be nice to just push this thing in my favor. God, dog it. So gold's trying to come down here a little bit. I've been jonesing to short gold all night. I need gold to go up there. Please and thank you. Nah, hey, it's not really 11K watching. Somebody botted the channel. It's fake views. Fake views, fake likes. So if you do want to, you can smash that lucky like button real quick. Would appreciate it. See if you guys can defeat those bots. You're gonna freaking get me. Short and gold. Hey, Raj, I've been wanting to short gold. I want to. We're not in the bands yet, though. We got one says short, one says long gold. Oh, boy. Come on up. Just get up there, please. And thank you. Please. Pretty please. With sugar on top. Let's get it. Short today with 2 micros. I'm long right now. I've been in the trade for a hot minute. I'm wanting to short gold. Gold's going to make it down to the darn VWAP. Without me, that's going to really make me upset. So no trades tonight in the Apex accounts yet. I've been trying to stalk this gold all night. It's just not getting there. We're going to target up a little bit more. We have the upper regression channel right here, even though it's sloping down. I'm probably going to close it. No, no, Raj, no dumping gold. No, no, no. Oh boy. This is video manager. Come on. I saw 180 on the trade. Am I going to regret not taking it? We do have the regression channel clearly sloping downward. We came up, almost hit the upper regression channel. EMAs are trying to cross bullish though. I don't mind the NQ dumping. Just need to see it go up first. Go up. Let me get out of this trade, maybe my micros, and then you can dump. No, it's a regression channel. It's not mine. Most platforms have it. It's a free indicator. I have mine set for the length of 55 with 3. So it's nothing I developed. Market dies. Come on. Just get up there. I said 100 before, but give me 200 and I'll be happy. Hey, not a problem. Get on up there. Please and thank you. Come on. Come on. A little bit more. Come on, it's a little bit more. Yeah, bots are back. Yeah, for sure, Mechanoble, they're back. 11,000 botted views. 900 something likes. YouTube straightens it all out when it's all said and done. Actually, I can see how many people's already been. Actual people have been through the stream. So we're about average. Had a little bit more than 1,100 people through the stream. So about 10% of the bot views. Bots outperforming everybody else. So I have no idea, Tris. I don't know who it is. I trade my own money and prop accounts. Both. So open just a little bit more of a push. I was gonna close it out. I want to be able to close it out with the slippage, still get 200 bucks. Oh man. Hey, Mechanoble, YouTube gets rid of all the views. So if you look when the stream's over, YouTube gets rid of them all. So I don't know what the goal is to try to accomplish. It makes no sense, but whatever. Whatever. Hmm. Yeah, I see it, Raj. I'm upset about it. So Raj talking about gold. I've been stocking gold all night. And look at that joker almost right here at VWAP. Yeah, I did, Tris. It's already been reported. They got screenshots. So as long as they know it's not me, I'm good. That's easy. Golf and Surfer. Let's see. Nightbot should post it. Nightbot just posted a link for the ecosystem. You can download it there, but you either have to have a lifetime license for Ninja for it to work. You have to pay for the order flow package, or trade with a prop firm that has Ninja Trader prop, or 4, have a live Ninja Trader account. Either one of those options. Most people will get it. It'll work with the Ninja Trader order flow. A trader that trades with Ninja Trader prop, so they have access to the order flow package. But you can download the indicator right there from that link. So if you trade with Lucid, Take Profit Trader, Apex, or Tradeify, you can have access to it. Excuse me. Man, that gold's really eating me up, Raj. God, dog it. Really upset with that gold. I'm really upset I didn't take my $200 up there too. That's 2 faux pas. Hey, Raj, you think it's going back up? Play the bounce off VWAP? I'm really jonesing to get into this gold. Because we have that ABC pattern up there. Let's go. Bye, Felicia. Don't you ever. Oh, man. I didn't get the trade. I don't get that trade detector bubble. Let's see. Don't forget, we are going to be doing a duck race later today. So if you guys want a chance to win, we're going to have 2 winners of today's stream. So duck number 1 will win, and then we'll vote, and we'll put out some other options, which other duck you guys want to win in terms of which place does your duck come in. Nightbot will pick out roughly 10 people. I'll pick out another 10, 15 people ish. Maybe Nightbot would do 12. I don't know. Nightbot will do at least 10. We'll say that. I don't know what it'll be after that. Let's see if gold get the bounce off the VWAP, Raj. Yeah, ever. I went to the movies and saw that. At the movie theater. I don't know how old I was, man. That movie was old. Miss Parker. my friend's little brother knew every word of that song. Or that movie. He'd walk around the house. It was hilarious. Let's see. Am I going to get stopped out of this or not? Time to dump. Dump. And it did. Got me on that one. So I was up 200 on it. It got me. We are below VWAP. Yeah. How do you get fired on your day off? I didn't grow up with any siblings. I have 2 half sisters and a half brother. But I was already, I don't know, I was probably 16, 17 when my half brother was born, and my half sisters, I was in my 20s. So I grew up as an only child. Are we not going to make it down there? Yeah, I was born in Florida. My whole entire life. Let's see. What's up, big worm? I mean, big perm. Or you say big perm, I mean big worm. I can't remember. One way or the other. God, that movie's so old. Still in your short? Nice. Yeah, I wish I would have joined you with that, Mongo. I didn't, though. So. Yeah. We're trying to hang around this VWAP. Market's been very slow lately. Ranges have been contracting. Let's go look at the overseas markets. So we have the HSI could open up here in less than 7 minutes. So we have Nikkei coming back down, 370 down. Kospi right now is up 189. And it looks like the HSI may gap down a little bit. Bitcoin down 216. What about CL real quick? Stupid NASDAQ. NASDAQ's leaving the station. Stop me out. I'm a little bit below me. And keep on going. Doop. Doop. You're gonna blast off without me, son of a biscuit eaters. Well, you guys can't hear it. My bad. I just realized sound wasn't on for you guys. Oh boy, oh boy. Hey, so as the market slowed down, have you guys found it easier or harder to trade? Easier or harder? I know for me, it's been a little bit more challenging. I'm also worried that once I get down, we're not going to get the movement I need to be able to get it back. Yeah, I agree too. I think it's been a little bit more challenging. I do better in faster markets typically. Well, that's a pretty good little smacking down. And HSI is not open yet. We broke all the way back down to opening price. Easier but boring. I don't know. I feel like it's been a little bit more challenging. We need more movement for more opportunities. This target by 5. It's a pretty good little lift right back off the low. If we measure that real quick from the low right up here, I'll tell you more now, over 20 points. So the Joker's going to go without me. I just want liquidity to go higher. After Labor Day. Hmm. Hmm. Yes, doesn't look that good either. HSI opens up here in, I don't know, 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. One more flush, let's go. I don't know, I'm gonna go for a buy. See, can we go ahead and rip this thing back up? We might be able to. We might have a little ABC pattern up actually. Probably not with my luck, but let's see. I want to keep my eye on the HSI too. That could move our markets here in a moment, but could this be a little ABC pattern up? Target right there. Actually, my target's right on the ABC pattern. So I need to move that down a little bit. I want to front run the actual target of the pattern. I'll see how the HSI opens up here in just a few. Come on. Push it. Real good. How the yields end up doing today? Yeah, 10-year yield looks like it wants to crack this area. Now I'll take it at 4.786. Probably gonna be a problem for our markets if we get up there. All right, HSI should be open up here in just a few moments. Let's see how the open in happens. Do we get a gap down or not? Hey, Nikkei's down 416 now. Why did Cosby quit moving? Maybe it's just slow. All right, there's the gap down at HSI. And if we look left, we do have that big gap from yesterday where we had a huge gap up. Now we have a huge gap down. Down 120 points right now. Oil's up 28 cents. I'm currently down on my trade. Adjust that down a little bit too. Oh. $44.86. Hey, Roger, I still had an ABC pattern on gold to the upside. Was that 30-minute chart we drew it off of? Yeah, 30-minute chart in gold. Target's all the way up here at 45.07. We got to get above this swing high here, which is 44.93. Are we going to be able to get up there? If you guys haven't yet, smash that lucky like button. Let's go. Stupid things that get me. I closed it. I took almost a full loss on it. We're not gonna hit that ABC pattern. So right back down to opening price. Joker. I really wish I would have taken my money when we popped up here. It was up 200. I let it come back, stop me out. I guess stopped out again. Rough night for me. Every time you have an update, you go to gold and give it all back. It's because you feel guilty about it. Like, oh, I don't deserve all this. Let me give it back. Those market makers got families to feed too. Hey, string B, and see you later. See you in the morning. What if we're going to sweep these lows and try to run it back up? What I mean by this is look at the NASDAQ. Do we come all, oops. Do we come all the way back down by this low? Overthrow it a little bit. So break below here and then maybe come back up. Or we just continue to flush all the way down and work our way down towards that 870 untested point of control. I don't know yet. I don't know. I still need my target on the MNQs. They're currently down $70 right now. We're up. Your options account is red. Futures account is keeping you green. Keeping you up. So look, we're almost down here at the deviation bands off the View app. Now maybe see if we can get down there and swing. I don't know, man. I keep finding myself wanting to go long. Yeah, last couple trades, long is wrong. Long is wrong. Look, Nikkei came back down. Nikkei's down 550 now. Cosby's down 169. HSI doing a pretty good job of coming back and trying to fill that gap. Started it short. Let's go. So are we going to sweep the low or do we go back up? Inquiring minds want to know. I feel like I want to go long. I feel like it's going to be a trap. I feel like I go long, they're going to take my lunch money again. Oh no, should I do it? Should I not? But F it, I'm in it. Oh man, this probably gonna be bad. This might put me in the red tonight. Hopefully not. Made in a single trade? I don't remember, to be honest with you. I had a 1,000-point NASDAQ trade. Or was it 2,000 points? It was quite a bit. It was during the pandemic. And that was an NQ, not MNQ. I don't know. I've had a couple $10,000 trades. Like single trades. I tried for a $100,000 trade. And that did not work out for me. I was up 30-something thousand on it. Ended up losing some money on it. That sucked. I would have just followed the first plan, but then I got greedy. Said, oh, I might be able to make 100,000 on this trade. Yeah, that was delusional. That was an idiot move. I literally remember. I remember that night like no other. I didn't get very much sleep that night. I remember I was bowling in a league, and I literally went up, threw my ball. I'm up 30-something thousand. I threw my bowling ball. My friend goes, man, it's tanking. I was like, get out of here. I look at my phone and now I'm red. So I'm green. I throw the bowling ball and now I'm red. So I just lost $30,000 like that. I was like, It was like, whoa, 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 whoa. We laugh about it all the time. We talk about it because I was messed up. I was messed up. Now, it was during Brexit. So that happened during Brexit. In case you want to know the time frame. I was going to get out. Man, I was going to get out before that night. But then I was like, I'll get out before I get to a bowling alley. But then right before I jumped in the shower to go to a bowling alley, article came across. The other side had already basically conceded and said it's not going to happen. It's a fake news headline. And my trade shot up a bunch of money. That's what put me up 30 grand. then the votes started coming in. And yeah, it didn't go my way. Did not go my way. So that was bad. And then I watched my account fluctuate, down 5,000, up 10,000, 15,000, down 8,000. I was just like watching it go up and down, up and down. That was horrible. And then I ended up bailing on the trade. 1:30, 2 o'clock in the morning. I scalped it till about 5 o'clock 4 o'clock in the morning. Got up at 5 o'clock in the morning, went to bed or went to work. So I got like an hour and a half of sleep that night. Oh man, that was horrible. And I think when it was all said and done, I made or lost a couple $100. But I was up 30 something thousand dollars. And it went up higher than where I actually looked at the dollar amount in my account. It went up higher than that. So I might have been up low 40s by seeing at least 34,000, 38,000, something like that. But stupid. I was like, this could be my $100,000 trade. You start thinking like that, you're asking for it. So, God dog it. Yeah, that was horrible time, man. I mean, that's probably the most I've been messed up in a trade. Like, I couldn't hold a conversation. I was pretty messed up. It was like everything was just like whoa, 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 whoa. And everything was talking in slow motion, like whoa. It was messed up. That was quick that happened. I kept saying, oh, it's gonna come back. It's gonna come back. And it didn't come back. I thought I was consistently profitable after 2 years. A little bit more in 2 years. But then 08 happened. I realized I had a lot more to learn. So 08 wiped out everything I made over 14, 16 month period. No losing months. Lost it all in one trade. Everything I made that whole time period lost in one trade, 1 month. That's stupid. Over leveraged, didn't get out when I should have. Didn't get out at my normal target. I said, no, I'm not gonna pay the commissions on this one. Nope. I'm not gonna get out for a nickel like I normally do on this options play. Nope. And then I could have got out for a nickel, and then it got ugly. 2008 happened, and I was stuck in a bad trade. Wasn't stuck, I just didn't close it out. I kept saying, nah, it's gonna come back. It's gonna come back. It didn't come back. I got smoked. Over leverage will rock you almost every time, I feel like. Every friggin' single time. Yeah, as soon as you start moving your stop and then you get rid of it, you're done. But in options, I couldn't have a stop anyways. I just had to get out. When the delta got to 0.40, I should have got out. I didn't get out. And the funny part was the guy that taught me the strategy, he was having some online thing at the point. He met twice a week, and I think it was a Wednesday night. I said, oh, I'm going to see what he has to say tonight. He was in the same trade I was in, but a different strike price. And he says, hey, so I know, normally you get out when the delta is 0.40, but this time's different. And at the end of the day, it was like 0.4. It was still 0.4 something. It wasn't quite 0.50 or higher on the delta. He goes, it'll probably go down. We'll be underwater. It's going to come back. And he was in a worse place than I was. I'm like, I'm good. I'm good. My friend got away with it a few months before that, where I was, my delta hit 0.40. I got out. He did not. Came right back and he made money. And I looked at it. I would not have lost money had I stayed in the trade. So I had that going for me. I watched my friend get away with it. And the guy that taught me the strategy got away with it, or was saying this time is different. It wasn't. Then everywhere I turned on the radio, the news, that's all you heard. Financial crisis, this bank's going under, blah, 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 blah. Now, in that same time period, I almost had a big loss. I was getting ready to buy, was it Wachovia? It was one of the banks after hours. They were down big. I was getting the calculator out to figure out, that's always a good trade, right? Get the calculator out and figure out how many shares you can buy. I was going to load the boat on it. Somebody calls me. I happened to pick up the phone and say whatever. So, all right, blah, 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 got him off the phone. I go to put the trade on and the bid and ask quit moving. Come to find out, it just got locked. They were closing down. That phone call saved me, saved my butt. Had I not answered that phone call, I would have been in the market, and within less than a minute, it would have been halted and never to reopen again. Went to zero. That would have sucked. So that phone call actually saved me. Golly, that was crazy. All right, look, we did take out that low. Now, are we going to be able to get back above it? I don't know. Can we get back above it? Look over here on the ES. ES taking out that, trying to take out that low right here. We'll see if we get a lift back up. We are down here in the deviation bands. All right, we have to swing that. All right, I jumped in it. Let's see if they're going to eat my lunch money again. So you see right down here, we did come into being oversold. We came down below the deviation bands on the VWAP. Let's see if it can hold and we can get a little push back up. VWAP's up here at 88. I'm going to front run the opening price right here from tonight. See if that'll be the sweep and the push back up. May not be. We're going to find out. We's going to find out. Hopefully I don't have to start tomorrow morning off in the hole. That would suck. Raj wants to short it. You're long 2 minis. Hey, Raj, I was going to try to hit it with 2 minis. I'm like, maybe I shouldn't do that. I was going to do it. I'm hoping we get back above the low. And then we can go ahead and push up here a little bit. Just a little sweep of the low and then push back up. Really wish I would have hit that short in gold earlier. Really regretting that. But whatever. Yeah, got me. That stinks. Oh well, is what it is. Again, we are going to give away 2 take profit trader accounts tonight. So let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Make sure you smash that lucky like button. I still like that we're down here. What I could do. Maybe add to my micro. Maybe. Add to the micro. Look for the push. Hey, Roger Sam, what's up? Nikkei's down 680. HSI is only down 77. Kospi's come back down. Kospi's in this gap too. Look for long in NQ. I like that idea. We'll see what happens. I get closer to your target in gold. Nice. Overseas markets down. How are we going to keep pushing? Yeah, VIX finished today at 15.19. Yeah, I just saw that, Raj. I was thinking about that. Gold down there at the lower bands. Oh, what's the dollar index doing real quick? DXY. I'm not doing a whole lot. Let's see. Yeah, gold's giving it up. He's sorry, piece of crap. Been long gold since earlier today. Yeah, gold's getting smacked here. We still have the ABC target in play. As long as we stay above 54, we're still good. We're about to make new lows. Nikkei's going lower. Where's the ES? ES only down 7.25. NASDAQ's down 61. Hey, Fendi, what's up? We're smacking it down pretty good right now. You're not buying nothing. JD has warned, do not buy it. Dow's only down 11 right now. So as bad as it may feel at the moment, as heavy as the market may feel, Dow's only down 11. Russell is down 2.1. Yes, down 9. So, yeah, I called it good tonight. Good job on that, JD. I was doing all right till the last couple trades. Go on the weekly looks good. I'm looking. We've had a pretty good little smack down here. How are they going to push it? I don't know. See right now, Nikkei's down 839. HSI is going back down towards the low. Cosby's in the gap. It's only up 87, but is it about to go lower? Does appear so. I don't see any news. I don't see any news. Not like oil is screaming up either. If we look at crude oil real quick, crude oil is not screaming up. 29,894 or 29,984. There we go. Yeah, we might get it, Raj. Oh man, good job on that. Good job on your targets. I'm like, what is the target? I only go for stop losses. No wins allowed. No wins allowed. Our side way oversold. Doesn't mean you can't stay oversold though. There was a little slight move up. Not much. Not much. I'm just not digging it. Really got to see this Nikkei bounce here a little bit. Maybe I'll go along here. I'm going to smack this sucker. I'm going to smack it. I think it's going to smack me right back. It's going to smack me right back. I got long right here. Hoping it was going to break. Did not break. We do have a trade detector bubble down here, so if we get stopped out, might give it one more shot. There we go. Now, what's the range so far? 115-point range. A little bit better than last night. Yeah, trying to balance, having trouble. Yeah, that's Nikkei is not doing me any justice here. Really need to see that Nikkei start to bounce. Nikkei is going to be going to lunch here in about 38 minutes. So crash tonight. Crash and burn. Maybe. Maybe. Beep. I'm down pretty good. This is not the way I wanted it to play out. This is not what I was looking for. Black Asia Tuesday. I don't see any news coming out either. Horrible Phil. Push your target to the dot. Really want my stops below the low. I don't want to move them down though. Gotta be careful here. Might end up with a big fat red day. Oh, we're down 110 points already. Like, It's not what I wanted. Not what I wanted. That Kung Fu fighting. Oh boy. Where's VWAP at? VWAP's already up here at 30,070-ish. I don't think we're going back up there right now. Golly, I really messed that up. Definitely misread that. So. Completely misread it tonight, but we'll see. If we can get this trade to work out for me, I'll still be good, but not looking good. I do want to see how far the Nikkei dropped on that. Actually, Nikkei tried to recover a little bit. HSI did go down lower. Kospi down 60 at the low of the session. Close your shorts way too early. Yeah, I don't think I've been short tonight. I was stalking the short in gold and I missed it. But you're about 7 seconds off of your charts. Now I have YouTube set the lowest latency, so it's a YouTube to U connection problem. I'm not a wise one. I don't walk away. That's the problem. That's why I normally don't have, small down or medium-sized down days, because I don't quit. So it's either really big or I start getting it back. That's the bad part. $500 market short. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on there. I really got the market down a little bit tonight. And I'm on the wrong side of this trade. Just up 400 something on that trade at least. If things haven't stops me out, that's gonna be horrible. That's gonna be freaking horrible. I need to push up. I need to push up. Yeah, Taco Trump deal. Oh shoot, did we win the war again? Win the war 10,001 times? I think it's gonna come down and stop me out. I'm digging myself in a pretty deep hole to start tomorrow off with. I wants to go down to at least where my stops are. Oh man. Hey, we look over here on the 4-hour chart. We've been talking about this all day today. 870, logical target, third consecutive untested point of control. So we'll see if it gets there or not. Let's see, is Nikkei trying to bounce anymore? Just think, I could have got out up here, came back down, could have got back in again if I still like the trade. And going back up to where we are now, I would be up for the night. I would have wiped out all of my losses. But coulda, woulda, shoulda. So I need a big move just to get back to break even. Just to get back to break even. I might get it actually. We keep pumping this up here a little bit. Bottom's in for now. Let's go. I like it. I like it. Push, push, push. Go, go, go. Run, run, run. Woo. I'll take one off there. All right, I'm out. Woo! All right, I'm back up for the night. I'm back in the green. I was back in the green. Let's get it. Jeez Louise. Why they got to make this so difficult on me? I think I was down like 800 and something on that trade. Or not on that trade, but tonight. Look for micros. No, sometimes it is very easy, but those days are far and few between. I think it's funny when people are like, oh, it's easy for you. No, it's not. I go through the same struggles as everybody else. I've just been through it a lot. A lot more. I made a lot more mistakes than most people. I still make mistakes. So. And you can do everything right and still have a bad day. You can do everything textbook and still have a bad day of trading. So. And showing the last one on the way up. Apex is having a sale, but the best sale they have right now is for the no activation fee accounts. I We can get a 50K account for $49 or $59 all in. No activation fee. Yes. Oh, actually, the Dow's back in the green. Dow's up 4. ES down 8. NASDAQ's down 88, and the Russell is down 0.9. Oh, we do have oil up though. Oil's up 0.50. Let's go look at that. What's going on with Mr. Crude Oil here? Mr. Crude Oil. It's trying to get a little lift here. A little lifty lift. Yeah, TPT 50% off. No activation fee, 3 days to pass. Lucid has 40% off the daily accounts, which also have daily payouts. My Fund and Futures has a banger deal for their rapid EOD accounts. A lot of good deals right now. So if you don't like one firm, you can, there's a lot of great deals out there in the prop firm space here at the moment. So Nikkei trying to come back a little bit. Cosby up 109. HSI is just not liking it though. Oh no, hey Leo, so trading micros, you're going to pay more in commissions. So if you traded 2 minis, you'd pay less in commissions than trading 20 micros. Each micro is probably at least $1.50 per contract. So no, hey, just ain't right. So once you're funded, regardless what you pick for the evaluation, it will be intraday trailing drawdown, regardless if you're EOD in the eval or your intraday in the eval. It's the same regardless. So I need another trade. I need another good trade. I like to get back to session highs. I was up 1,100 before the stream, and then I had 2 losing trades that did me pretty dirty. I think when I started the stream, I was only at 400, 415, something like that. Now I'm up 360, so I'm down since we've been on stream. So can I get it back up? Can we go? Yeah, because they're DCAing into the trades. Probably. So hey, are we gonna continue to come down towards here, or are we gonna bounce back up? I don't know. Yeah, it's just plowed right through there. Yeah, hit it, smash it, rub it, whatever. I don't know. I didn't see Donnie tweet anything out this time around. Hey, what do you want the poll to be? Can I do a poll and do the opposite? If we do a poll, majority of the chat will be wrong. Just in trading in general, majority of people will always be wrong. So we do a poll. If I ever agree with the chat, I'm like, I need to rethink this. They're trying to tempt me into another one. Look, that regression channel is pretty steep. The smart thing would be, I'm not smart, would We wait till it starts to flatten out here a little bit. Even turn to go back the other way. Hmm. 38% of the whole move's at 141. Percentage wise, the ES is doing better tonight than the NASDAQ. ES only down 0.13%. NASDAQ's down 0.33. So. I don't think about smacking this. See if we can turn this into a little ABC pattern up. This is what I'm debating. I don't know yet. I think I didn't do it yet. All right, F it. Let's go. Let's go. Target on that would be all the way up here at 30,027. Right up here. I'm really looking at this on the 1 minute chart. I just drew it on this chart just so I can see what the actual low was, get a better drawing of it. Come on, push it. Push it. Pull. End of August. All right, give me a second. Green trade detector bubble just means there's a lot of buyers in it. So in this case, there is 476 aggressive buys. But it's more about where the bubble shows up at versus the color. If it was a green bubble and we've been plowing to the upside, there could be a little exhaustion. We get a pull back the other way. The fact that we've been coming down, then you get a green bubble. That's better. You get a little pop back up. That's commonly what you'll see. So I could close this out. It'd probably be near session highs. Probably. I want to see if I can get a little bit more. Want to get a little bit more. Could be the greed monster coming in and doing me dirty. No, you can't spoof the bubble. The bubble's actually activity that already happened. On Bookmap, we can see what has not happened yet. So all these resting orders, which NASDAQ doesn't hold a lot. Let's go back to ES. So all this resting liquidity up here is resting orders. This could be fake because as we come up there, they could yank those orders. But the actual trade detector bubbles over here, this is trades that already fired off. So unless they have an undo button, then, you know, I don't know how they would do that. Probably gonna get me, Joker. Yeah, sometimes spoof orders do get filled. They don't get them pulled quick enough. This Joker's gonna go back down, you mother. Beep. I should have took the $100 and something up here. Should have done it. More beeps, please. Exactly. The moment I knew, I beeped up. Golly, that sucks. And again, we have that 860, 870 level, about 110 points lower. So we were talking about this all day on the stream, that 870. Here I am trying to go long. I don't understand my logic here. I think I just feel like it's went a little bit too far, too fast tonight. Doesn't mean I'm right. So a potential ABC pattern. We never broke the B point. Never a valid pattern. We had low of the day right here at 968. Nikkei going back down. HSI trying to bounce. Cosby back down. Only up 81. Does the ES have anything lower? It does. So ES already hit our point of control today. Next stop, actually, if I look over here in the composite profile, I like this whole area right here. Anywhere from 77.25 to about 76.94. Kind of like that area right here. So we can just take this. Kind of highlight that zone. I like that area right there, but no, it's not legit. Somebody botted the channel. We don't have 12,000 viewers. Somebody's trying to harm the channel. We don't have 1,000 likes either. But if you guys are feeling pretty frisky, go out there and smash that like button. We do have 2 Take Profit Trader accounts we're going to be giving away tonight. So we'll probably do that giveaway here in just a little bit. Yeah, John says, smash that like button. Make sure you smash it real good. Right there at the low of the day. So 15 minutes until Nikkei goes to lunch. Nikkei is on the low of the day. Kospi's on the low of the day. HSI is about middle of the gap. Poor NQ. NQ says, don't feel bad for me. It's all good. And new lows. You know, oil's not really screaming up with it. Oil was up 50 cents. Now it's only up 41. So I do like this. I think. HSI is trying to bounce here. F it. Let's see if we can get something. Can we get something out of it? Or do they just want to stop me out? I feel I'm gonna get stopped out again. Oh crap. I feel I'm gonna get stopped out again. But we'll see. Oh wait, 904. Wait, we might run all the way down to 870. That's a very real possibility. So they've already smoked the low from today. ES has a whopping 22-point range. NASDAQ's probably at 180. 181-point range. Effing market. Stupid market. Wacky volume for Asia. Yeah, I didn't even look at the volume tonight. I normally don't look at the volume in Asia. Hopefully I don't regret this. Playing keep away with my targets. That could be very bad for me. Please. I'm going to take one off. I'm going to take it. I think I'm up at session highs now. I think that trade put me at session highs, fighting the markets, fighting the trend. That's the 969. Yeah, we can see that. Really not a fan of this. So what I was hoping for tonight is we get a pop up and then we could smack it down. We didn't get the pop up. We got anything but that. Again, that regression channel is still super strong to the downside. I mentioned that earlier and I keep trying to fight it. Again, it's kind of funny when you're in the heat of the battle, you know, yeah, probably shouldn't do this. Yes, that battle 50. I'm debating on smacking this again. We do have a 9 count down here at the bottom too. Joker. Had to chase it. Got me on that. I was hoping that 9 count was going to bounce us. We're going to hit that friggin' 870. I was looking for a pop up tonight, then short it down to 870 and not getting that. Effing great. Great. So now we've had a 190-point range. 90.75. We're going to go down there and get that. Oh, do I dare take another swing at it? Not yet. So if we look at the liquidity on the NASDAQ, I don't see any major liquidity around us. That's the problem. Books are pretty darn thin tonight, which can make for some fast moves in the market. So I know she's tumbling down, taking my lunch money. Now, usually if we have a big down day in Asia, it doesn't end up producing a big down day in New York. All right. I give it another shot. I want my money back. I'm trying to get a second contract on. I'm going to close that. Will I cancel that order? I think I did. That order would have filled me. That could have been bad. All right, HSI right back down. Nikkei new session lows. Kospi only up 27. That's not going to be good for me. That's going to be freaking great. Yeah, not a fan of that. Not a fan. But is what it is. Cut your NQ short early. No, I never got in. Yeah. You sweep that low again. I'm going to get in. Sweep the low. Nikkei now's down 1,016. Jeez. Kospi's about to fill the gap from yesterday. Just wait. Maybe I should just wait. I can't short down here. Too big of a push down for me to short. Not my style. That's nuts. Look at crude oil. Crude oil is not doing anything. So the move down is not related to crude oil. You were short at 106? Nice. Nice. All right, screw it. I'm going to be long again. They're going to take my lunch money. Dollar's trying to go up a little bit. I don't know, Raj. I think gold might still want to go down. I don't know. I like this for a bounce, but man, it needs to bounce. No, I don't see any news. I was looking. I don't see any news. Russia down's 180 drones in Moscow region, but I don't see it. Hey, Raphael, what's up? We're going to break the freaking low again. What's up is not my account balance. They're taking my lunch money. They want me to dig out of a hole tomorrow. I don't want that. It's already 10:30. Holy smokes. 10:30. I won't be green after this trade. I'm green right now, but not by a whole lot. So if the market shoots up right here, I'll be good. I'd be chilling for a little bit. Hanging out. Saying, yeah, get it. You know, what's crazy is oil's not going up either. Oil's not really shooting up with our market going down. It's not too late to own one of the 4 soaring memory stocks. Dog it. This stupid market. Yeah, we marked off an area on the ES earlier. I'm out. All right, now I'm back red again. Green to red to green to red. Can we get back green again? They're still dropping. So you guys getting back everything from the previous week? Yeah, a little bit. Almost all the way back down there. Almost. All right, I'm long again. You know, gosh, burn it. They got to pay me one of these times. I hope. Still think ES might want this zone down here. And that's the scary part. Do we go straight down there or do we get a bounce? I don't know. Every bounce we get in gets my hopes up. I get green, then right back down. See? Nikkei's not at lunch. Oh, Nikkei just did go to lunch. So Nikkei should have stopped trading. Let's go look. Nikkei's down 1,100 points. At session lows. Kospi is red. HSI is red. Our markets are red. And I'm buying. Smart. Proof I don't want to do what everybody else is doing. I guess we've been having slow nights. I just didn't really expect a big move tonight. And we've had a decent move. Just unfortunate I ended up getting the big move on the wrong side. Oh. And Q just cooked you? That's been cooking me too. If we get a move all the way back up to here, it'll be all good. If I get my targets up here, it'll be life is good. That's a big if. That is a huge if. I feel like the Iran news already priced in. And with the Iran news, you would think oil would be going up. It's not. So I don't know. I don't buy it's the Iran stuff. Hmm. Yeah, margin calls. Go on up. It's not too late. Don't forget, we are going to be doing Take Profit Trader Account giveaways today. So yeah, I probably should, but I'm in the heat of the moment now. I'm in F it mode. We're gonna hit that friggin' 870. That's what irritates me. I was talking about that 870 all day today. Stupid market. All friggin' day. Yeah, I'm getting wrecked tonight on it. They're doing me pretty dirty right now. Could be worse though. Could be a lot worse. Oil's trying to move it again a little bit. Oil's back up 45 cents. That's still not much. Gold's down 20. We're gonna freaking hit it too. No, the view count's not real. Somebody botted the channel. They bought it. Oh, I think Jesse said, come on. Uncharge it. Take it off the charger. Let me see how I can turn this sucker on.
Yep. I'm here. I think they can hear me. What's up, everybody? Let me check my volume while Mike's looking at that. Okay, it's good on my end, Mike. When you get a second, just check.
All right, I know you guys already heard Jesse, but Jesse is now live with us once again. All right, I did get back long in this whole hot mess.
Yeah, I'm in a long too. Took a little bit of heat there, but let's see.
This is horrible. Horrible for me tonight. This is not what I wanted.
Oh, you're telling me? Oh, my friggin' funded Lucid account, guys in the chat. Oh,
You blew it?
if you've been following along, That bad boy got me 3 payouts and lasted 10 days. Oh, I'm so depressed. So depressed.
That sucks.
I know.
Man. Were you close to getting another payout?
No, I slowed it down because I was actually going to try to slow that one down and build up to 5 accounts before they moved me to live, but that didn't work out. So
did you blow up the evals too?
I only had one, and yes. I blew it up first, got pissed off, got long on the funded account, and blew that one up. So mini tilt session tonight, folks.
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? You take that one? Take this. Oh, shit, you're going to take that one too.
I mean, it's like I said in the chat earlier, like who could have ever known somebody would come in and just hit sell 500, boom. I mean, that was nuts. That flush was crazy. So, oh, sorry to hear it, man. Oh, you have the, yeah, I bought the new, so all my accounts have always been pro, but I bought a daily because of the sell and all that, and I was gonna try that out, but I was up pretty good on that darn thing too.
Yeah, I was up good on one earlier and got stopped. Stupid idiot. I'm up 800 on this one. But I'm down pretty good right now. I took a couple losses back to back. Up 6,000 new, brand new. Lucy, good job.
Yeah.
Hey, hopefully that's not up in one day. You might be over the consistency. Oh man, I'm up. I was just seeing 1,100. I moved my target up. No, I don't want to take that. Give me a little bit more. Oh boy. Oh boy. Hope I don't regret this one. I was up good on that too. Dang it. I mean, anybody having bad days, we're gonna give away 2 take profit trader accounts tonight.
Dude,
So.
can I gotta try to get in the duck race. What do you guys think? Should good old Jesse try to win a duck race? It's been a couple years, I think, since I won one of those. Oh shoot. I'm dropping stuff. Hold on, folks. John says check your phone. All right, let me check my phone. Hold on a second, John. What I miss?
You get some super flippers for your duck.
Yeah. John checking in with ChatGPT, baby. Let's go.
I did not. No, I didn't get no ban email from TPT.
A ban email? What? I have never got anything like that.
So a 22-point range on the ES. Man, this is friggin' stupid. I was up $1,100. I said, nah, let me move my targets up higher. It's stupid.
That's similar to what I did earlier too, because I was long and I moved out. So after that flush blew up my eval, I got long on that big delta bubble we got down there, and I put the target up at the opening price, and we ripped up. I mean, that was a pretty good move up, but then it flushed again and blew up my fucking other account. Oops, sorry. Oh, sorry. I got to put a filter on. Oh man, I couldn't believe it. I should have never moved my target.
Hey, see you later, Chris.
That far.
I really wish I would have took that 1,100.
I know, man. Could we get a redo button?
Yeah, rewind all the way back to the beginning of the stream. All right, short guys. We want to go short tonight. It's going up now, but we'll be good. Just short. Get rid of the stops. You're good.
They're getting after it, man. Jeez.
Man, I was up good on that trade.
Max Payne, Mike. Max Payne.
Yeah, that's funny.
Yeah, John. Hey, John, I saw your thing. I'll have to read it in more detail later, but I've been using ChatGPT a lot. In fact, so much so that the other day it told me I was down to 3% remaining of my usage. Or I guess that was a couple weeks ago now, but so I upgraded it to Pro. I don't know if I'll stay on Pro, but at least I'm there now.
God, I wish I would have taken that. I was like, nah, I want to get more. I want to get more.
Yeah.
More.
The old greed came out in you, huh?
Yeah.
Same here. Same here. So it said, "Oh, you want to get greedy? I'll take your other account. Thank you very much." Actually, no. Let's rewind. What the market actually said was, "Oh, you want to get greedy and you don't have a stop? Let's go."
Oh, crap.
Yeah. She got all excited.
I closed it. Up $1,100 and I closed out for a loss. That's awesome. Ah, it sucks. That's horrible.
Yeah, Trish, I use ChatGPT for a lot. So I've got it connected to all my different medical records. I talk to it all the time about certain, things health-wise. I have all my trading database, historical trades all piped in there. We review it together all the time, looking for little tweaks here and there. I also use it to help me fine-tune indicators on NinjaTrader. I mean, all kinds of stuff.
Stupid.
I know. This is why it took me so long to get on the stream, guys. So I'm sorry I'm tardy, but I was over here yelling and cussing at myself like Mike's doing right now. So I had to get over that first. But
if I don't like my monitor so much, I'd probably throw something at him. That's the way I feel anyways.
Yeah. I know. They got me good, man. I can't believe it.
We're gonna freaking go all the way down to the area I wanted to short. I wanted to get a pop so I could short this son of a B word all the way down here.
Yeah.
And it's not gonna let me do it.
By the way, I know I was kind of bragging about the 10 days, guys, but literally I've never had a funded account that long. 10 days is the longest I've ever had a funded account and gotten payouts. So for me, that was a milestone, but obviously I've got some things to work on still.
Hey, what's up, Coop?
Hey, Coop. Captain Price, good to see you.
We're gonna hit that friggin' 870. Golly, that sucks. That really irritates me. Golly, that sucks. I'm really agitated now.
Yeah, do you need to I can keep the mic and you go fill up your water or do some jumping jacks, punch a wall.
I don't want to miss it.
I don't want to miss it. God, it's still going down. Jeez. Hold on, I gotta move some windows around. I've been rearranging all my screens too, kind of preparing to have a setup similar to Mike, but I don't like where YouTube ended up being, so let me move this around.
The bleeding stops once you bleed out. Not a minute before.
Guys, if we missed anything, I know Mike and I were busy beating ourselves up there for a minute over those trades. So if we missed anything, just questions, comments, just put it again in the chat, please. I don't want to miss you.
Hey, Raj, have a good night.
See you, Raj. I'm scrolling up to see if I missed anything obvious, but yeah. I just got an absorption sellers NQ on Bookmap, and it
Just
was
gonna go lower.
woo,
It's
now
like,
it's absorption. Wow.
I can't short it either.
So we had 137 absorbed by the sellers and then 40 absorbed by the buyers. So there was a little battle right there. Sellers won, of course. I've got two. It's funny. I got two bubbles right down here. One's red, one's green. Man, oh man. Adam says the Bears are still hungry. Yep. Looks like it.
Somebody needs to feed them SOBs.
So what did I miss today? Because I was at work. I didn't. So obviously, I'm looking back at the chart.
Trump was talking about getting out Oman and.
Yeah, because we had a pretty slow, kind of boring day, and then just boom, straight down, and here we go even further. So, the heck is happening? All of that just from Trump talking about whatever. I guess I shouldn't be surprised by that. Okay, let me get back to the chat. All right.
SOBs. Got a little wick on here. ES. 27-point range so far in the ES. That's not, doesn't seem like a whole lot. I feel like it's a lot worse than that.
Because it was just straight down. Well, at least on the NQ.
Yeah, I don't know.
What's up, Tom? Good to see you. I didn't get to read your message, but it's good to see you anyways. Could be yields. Hey, yeah, let's talk about yields for a moment. Mike's real good at looking at stuff like that. I don't have those charts.
I'm balls deep right now.
Yeah, let's not talk about yields. We'll come back to that. Because Les, I think you're onto something there. Wow, look at you, dude. Peel some.
No, I can't.
Oh, you can.
Yeah.
Mentally insane, says Trish, these markets. I would tend to agree with you. I mean, it's been so boring and slow and bleh, and then tonight just...
That's what they do. They get you all sucked in like,
yeah.
Hey, it's not going to move much. Then just F's you right over.
It felt like news, but without news. says H Truth. Yeah, I agree. Trump is going to give Ukraine to Russia. Well, I don't think Trump has anything to do with that. Ukraine's defending themselves quite well, so I don't see that happening. I mean, we might step out of the way or maybe remove some funding or whatever. That's not going to stop them. I mean, they're killing Russia, so they'll keep going. They'll keep crushing. Those two countries need to figure out a way to just end this. It's a disaster.
They write each other a love note. Do you like me? Yes or no?
I mean, it's just crazy.
We can just go up there and get my targets. Let me move my targets up even more. Go out there and get me. We can laugh about how great of a night this was.
Wait a minute. Did you peel a couple off? I only see 2 targets instead of 4.
Only had 3.
Oh, 3. Okay.
Well, you only seen 3.
The other 3 were way up off the screen.
No, I didn't have that many. I didn't have 6 on.
You said, F it, I'm doing a Jesse tonight, folks.
No, I was getting irritated.
The difference is yours worked out so far. Mine did not.
It's not over with yet. Remember, I was up $1,100 on the last trade and let it stop. I didn't get stopped out. I stopped out before my stop out, but it was still red. Being up $1,100, there's no way I should let that turn into a loss. Freaking stupid.
Gleb says up 9K on a top step XFA, but 40% consistency. Well, congrats on the being up so big.
Yeah, 40% consistency might be a little problem though.
If it was me, I'd just try to make 9K over the next few days and be done with it. I definitely wouldn't try to lose money. I tried that once and I just couldn't lose money for the life of me.
Yeah, just do max contracts, hit buy sell, and you'll lose it.
I forgot about that. In the moment, I mean, you could get that'll with the commissions and the spread, that'll do it real quick.
And if you don't have that much to lose, you just do 1 or 2 contracts, buy sell, buy sell, buy sell.
Yeah.
I could close this out and I think I'd be up for the night. Not much. I want to get back to session highs. Oh man, that's how it always goes bad. It's gonna be a late night for me. If this trade doesn't work out, it's gonna be a late night. So we need to pray for this trade.
It's in my thoughts and prayers.
Well, can you go into your simulated account and just full port and just keep hitting 100 lot orders below it? Then maybe the big boys will say, wow, they're going in with a sim account. This must be a buy. We got to chase those sim accounts. Maybe they know what they're doing.
Well, I'd do it, but I don't even have a sim account at the moment.
Oh, man.
I mean, I have Sim 101, but that doesn't count.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about by sim.
Well, they definitely don't watch that one, but hey,
but they might. Hey, it might make me feel better.
For us conspiracy folks out here, I mean, I think they're probably watching my simulated evals.
Wait, you don't got to worry about one account catching up to the other anymore.
No,
the one you didn't want the lead led, and the other one followed it.
Yeah. I had a feeling that was stupid. Let's get the opinion of the chat. So chat, here's the thing. Let me know your opinions. I had one funded account with 3 payouts, and Lucid moves you live after your 5th payout, right? So I told myself, if they're going to move me to live, I want to go with 5 accounts. For whatever reason, I was stuck on the idea of having 5 accounts instead of 1. So I said, okay, let me slow down my funded account and try to pass 4 others and get them to at least 1 payout so that when I do go live, I've got 5 accounts. Their rule is you got to at least have 1 payout. So that was my approach. And so I probably missed another payout trying to do that and then just lost everything. So probably hindsight says that was stupid, but at the time I thought it was a good idea. I don't know.
Closed it out, made a couple ticks.
Ah.
Yeah, it's great.
I wish I had that shock collar because I was trying to get you to thin the herd there.
I did. I took one off.
Okay, good.
But I mean, I'm still down. How's it going? Not going good. What are you gonna say? John said what?
Oh, John said he was all in, if that helps. Oh, hey, somebody pointed out. Oh, Munoz pointed out that it was up at the top of that regression channel over there on your 1 minute, Mike. Yeah, shoot. Yeah, that's what happens. That's what happens when we start focusing on the actual number. We start ignoring things like our regression channels, our 9 counts, our bands, you know, the stuff we use to trade with. Oh, Mike, it says you're muted, buddy.
Man, that's good. That's so you guys can't hear all the profanities. Man, I wanted to see a freaking pop up so I could short it down to the stupid 870.
And it just, didn't give you the opportunity.
And look, it almost made the 870.
Yeah, it might
880, 880.25. Oh,
yeah.
God, that
it
sucks.
might go. It might go.
That, stupid market. It really upsets me. I feel like I want to cry. Yes, 77.32.
So Chris says it was a good idea, at least for me, but I think it would mess you up when you tried to force a payout on the other 4 accounts. Yeah, I was thinking that would be a problem. I didn't even get that far, but I was prepared for that, Chris, mentally. I knew that would be a hurdle, but I don't have to worry about it now because now I don't have an account I'm not going live, so I got to start.
Hey,
over.
so maybe that was your brain's way of helping you out.
Oh, sure.
It sent you south, so you don't have to worry about that no more.
That's the exact.
And I went
kind of
long
help
again too.
That's the. I don't want that kind of help.
Long again.
Ganesh says, I remember you talking about 870 this morning,
Yeah.
Mike. Yeah.
I was hoping tonight just get a little pop up. Then I was going to layer on some shorts, and well, we didn't get the pop. So I had the right idea, just didn't execute properly on it. So, all right, we need him to come out. Russia and Ukraine sign peace deal. Iran's reopening the Straits of Hormuz. The Middle East is no longer going to be with any tensions. Everything is just going to be nice. They're all going to go to have a big dinner together every night. Each country.
Hey, Devil says, hey, I'm in my first short of the night. Guaranteed reversal.
Hey, that's... Well, I don't know. I'm kind of counterbalancing you right now. I'm long, so you're short. So probably find a way to screw us both over.
Yeah.
Hey, Dow's only down 15 though. So even though NASDAQ dropped out big, the ES did not. Iran's going to honor the deal.
Oh, sure. How many times have we heard this?
I really should probably take it. I'm not doing it either. This will be a third trade I'm up decent on. This thing comes back on me. I didn't take it. I don't want to move my stop. I don't want to get stopped out. If I move it, I just want to cancel it.
Yeah, just cancel the stop, dude, and just.
I mean, what could go wrong, right?
Go bareback or whatever it's called. Or is that something else? I don't know.
Nah, I'm not trying to make myself lose. I'm trying to give it wiggle room to kind of work its way up. Oh, hey, what's up? What's up? Yeah, I'm not going to full send. That's a guaranteed loss for me. Like every time I've ever went big on a trade, it usually doesn't work out.
Javez says, hello, Mike. First day watching your streaming. Awesome.
Yeah, welcome. Dutch rudder.
Mike's. Oh my God, John. Come on, dude.
Jesse had me watch that.
Yeah, I sent Mike a link to that little clip of that movie.
I was like, what am I even watching? Like,
Mike said, what the hell's a Dutch rudder? And I said, you don't know about the Dutch rudder and the double Dutch rudder? I was laughing so hard. My face hurt for 3 days.
like how'd they act that part out without laughing?
I don't know. They probably had 30 takes.
Like, it's
Hey,
like gay, but not.
oh shoot. Yeah, I said the wrong thing, Kevin. Thanks for correcting me on that. Or no, Apple corrected me. Kevin said all right, I'm gonna shut up.
So what'd you say? Oh,
I don't know all the slangs and all that stuff. I feel like I missed something here.
I really need this bad boy to go up.
Oh yeah, Javaz. What I was gonna say is Mike's a great dude. We've all come to know and love him over the years, and he streams every morning too in the New York session. So make sure you're subscribed and tune. Well, I know you're subscribed because you're chatting, but tune in the mornings. That's where the real fun happens, right?
Not if it's like tonight. Stupid market. It's really irritating me too, watching NASDAQ go down to the target I was focused on this morning. I was looking at last night, hoping I was going to get a short down to it tonight. Instead, I go long. It's like the other night you said, yeah, I don't know. I really want to be in. All right, I'm in.
Yeah.
Same thing I
It's
just
like,
did.
I don't really want to long it way up here. All right, I'm in.
Ridiculous. So we do got two take profit trader accounts we're going to give away today, 2 tomorrow. 2 tomorrow night, 2 the following day. So 2 per stream. We'll be giving out Take Profit Trader accounts throughout this week. And if you guys go watch today's video, there might be 2 account giveaways in that video. Might be a Lucid and a TPT account. Just saying.
Force Fed says every time I set a stop loss, it stops me out, then goes in my direction. Yeah, welcome to. And that happens to everybody, man. I hate that.
Yeah, Spaces, the video that just dropped today, my latest video. No, hey, trucking. It's not really 1,000 likes. Somebody botted the channel. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, some people like spending their money on stupid stuff. I guess that's me too with evals.
No, because you get the payout sometimes.
That's true. That's true. I guess buying fake viewers on somebody else's YouTube channel is probably not a good spend of your money.
Good ROI.
Yeah, not a good return on your investment. Yeah, that video was good, huh, J Loves? Mike drops a lot of good knowledge in those videos. Trish watched it and liked it too. Yep.
I think the problem tonight I was hoping for a little bounce up so then I could get short. And then I just got married to looking for the bounce. And we just kept going down, down, down.
Yeah, and Javaz, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but yeah, Mike's been talking about getting short all day, even this morning. Like he liked that 870 level down there. And this is what happens sometimes. You just get blinded by something else.
Mike Tyson said it best.
Yeah.
Everybody has a plan to get punched in the face.
Yeah, exactly.
So
it's
all good. I'm frustrated, but I've had worse days. It's not the end of the world.
ES forming a base. I don't know. Isn't the ES always a base at nighttime? I don't watch it at night because it's usually doesn't do nothing. I guess I should open an ES chart. Let me open an ES chart, Trish. Hold on.
Tomorrow will bring a sunrise and sunset.
Let's see.
Guaranteed. If not, we got some big problems.
Yeah, if it doesn't, we got some big problems. So let me change this to no instrument link, and then I can change it to ES. ES futures. Let's go.
ES had a little drop out tonight too.
Oh, geez. I better change it from a 40/20 Renko bar. That ain't going to do nothing.
Yeah, primaries in Florida tomorrow. We got to vote.
Let's go 6-3. Oh, you guys have primaries tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Look at the ES. It looks exactly like the NQ. The exact same price action.
Just not as big of moves.
Yeah. Look at that. So I've got my ES on a 6-3 Renko, and I've got my NQ on a 40/20 Renko, and they look exactly the same, the two charts.
I'm going to try to stream tomorrow. I'll be streaming tomorrow at 8 a.m. I'm going to try to stream at 8 a.m. That's funny. Come on, push it. Hey, every time, if I ever do a mini instead of a micro on accident, it's usually not good. Market's like, we got him.
It's funny how it never really works out in your favor when something like that happens.
Hey, John, E-Full treat me pretty good. I can ride it pretty decent now. Except for now, I keep trying to jump it and I'm eating crap. Ate crap pretty good the other day. Me and Jesse talked through it. I think I figured out what's going on. You have to get so far forward on the board. When I launch it, it nosedives. I'm still too far forward on the board. So when I launch, I got to figure out a way to lean my weight back. I don't know yet. I haven't got it down.
Yeah, I told him you got to treat it like you're doing an ollie on your old skateboard back in the day.
That's like, hey, so if you act like you're gonna ollie a skateboard, that sucker will pop right out of the water.
Yeah.
Because the jet will turn like this. So, shoo.
Yeah, and then you got to time when you land, when you get the foil in the prop back in the water, you got to be back on the front, front heavy again, so it doesn't throw you off the back. So it's going to be a timing thing.
When I come back in the water, I haven't got that far. I go, it goes like this, and then I jump, I bail off.
I haven't got that far yet.
Yeah. I haven't had to worry about that problem. I was hoping to go tomorrow, but I don't think I'm going to be able to tomorrow. Maybe Wednesday I'll get to go out there. Stupid market.
Oh, geez, Kevin.
Oh, boy. Bounce out of the water. Whoa, let's not talk about shooting down.
Trucking, I do. I keep the time and sales window. It's funny because Mike was seeing my screen earlier today, and he goes, "What the hell you got the time and sales over there for?" I said, because I have it color coded for aggressive orders and stuff. I like to watch it. It just, when it flashes big old white blocks in my face, I know the buyers are stepping in. So
I used to have it. I used to have the tape, but I'd have it segment. So I'd have like all the big orders, medium orders, and then all the other orders like coming through, so you can then see.
Yeah,
I haven't done that for many years.
Yeah, so trucking, it's not my primary thing, but it's just something on my screen that catches my eye when something big happens. So I use it, but I don't read it, if that makes sense.
Well, volume delta indicator you get right here.
Hey, buyers stepping in here. Let's see.
After I already brought it back down, they're gonna get me red.
Oh, I wasn't paying attention to that.
So Nightbot just posted a link. You can get it from there. I could have closed out up there and been green on the night, but no, I want to get more. And this is a problem. Getting down and not having the market move anymore. That's a problem. No, hey, it's not. We don't got 12K likes or 12K views. Somebody botted the channel. It's not real. It's fake. It's a Fugazi. You son of a biscuit eater. I will say the regression channel is starting to not be as steep now. They'll probably stop me out and then go. God, I should have got out up there. Done the push down. I felt like that. I could have got back in. Same thing I said earlier. Strategy Desk. I don't remember them. I don't know if the Thinkorswim still has it, but they used to. I probably don't anymore. You said the guy squawk, like screaming out in the pit. Bid. Da, 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 da. It's not like you're at a freaking auction. It was funny. Me and my friend turned on at work. Oh man, everybody get mad at work. They want to listen to radios. I mean, you can barely hear the guy. After a while, you can start to understand what he's saying, but talks so freaking fast. It's pretty neat. Yeah, shorting the lows, drop it a little bit more than rip it. No, I don't know. I don't see any news out. Vessel hit by unknown projectile during outbound transit with the Strait of Hormuz just came through. Oil's up 52 cents. Yeah, I was looking at 870. Looking at 870. So. Yeah, it looks like some stuff going on in the straights right now, but I don't see oil going up with it. I think Jesse got disconnected.
No, I'm here. Sorry, I had my mic muted.
Oh. 2 lines at 50 and 200 EMA right here. Oh, during the flash crash? That flash crash day, I still remember that. People call me at work, Mike, you see the market? I was like, yeah, I think Dow's going to be down 1,000, which doesn't seem a lot now because we're at higher prices, but back then that was a lot. Dow made it down just right around 1,000 and turn. At least that's how I remember it. Maybe it was a little bit more, a little bit less, but. I was up $700 and something. Now I'm down.
Oh, I missed the question. You mentioned you lost a funded account. What was your reaction? I'm having a hard time with it. I feel disgusted losing a funded account. How do you... Oh, dude. Rishith. Oh, I like that name. Rishith. Dude, I got used to it. I mean, it's sad, but it's true. It's like I've done that so many times. There's been times. Ask Mike. I've called him on the phone, and luckily I didn't call him while I was crying, but he could tell. I've had some brutal losses, and it's like at a certain point during your journey here and with prop firms, you kind of realize that they're nothing but inventory, you know, and you use that inventory to teach yourself these lessons. And a lot of these lessons are very hard to learn, really hard lessons to learn. I mean, I've done the same exact stupid stuff numerous times, and I find myself like, I don't know, wanting to punch myself, saying, dude, again? The same thing. Again? It's tough. But I've done it enough to where I do still beat myself up over it, but you got to get over it and get back on the horse, so to speak.
$8. I think that's who it was. I do think that's who it was. That stuff. The guy was so crazy. I don't know if they still have that or not.
Yeah. K Stello says same thing for 4 years. Yeah. So somebody else asked how long I've been trading for. So it's been about futures. It's been about, I think, 5 years now. And so for anybody who's still new to this, like I've been doing it 5 years and I still do the same stupid stuff. So it's really, really tough to break bad habits.
It is.
Yeah, Coop, I'm about 30% into that movie. Yeah, thanks for giving me the link. It's good. It's good. I just haven't had time to finish the darn thing.
Nah, Mongo, you didn't miss it yet. I'm in this stupid trade. Trying to get my stupid money back. This stupid market. Oh, man. Oh, crap, it's 11:15. Son of a gun.
It's 11:15 already?
That's what I just said.
So that means it's 8:15 my time. Woohoo! I still got some hours left.
Oh, I got some hours in me left after the stream, too.
Ay.
I want to go to bed, and it's not going to happen.
So let's see. Let me zoom out on the ES here.
Dang it. Can't get your money back. It's gone, but you can make more. No, I want my money back. Mine. Stupid market. That's bad. See that stupid. Yeah, Cosby looks like it wants to break the low too. PK's at lunch. Maybe I should do the duck race. Maybe I should do the duck race. Yeah, I've been trading since 2005. I don't do well in slow markets, and if I wanted the market to go down, I was looking for a bounce to get in, and I miss it. It's usually bad time for me, because then I'm gonna fight it the whole way. Like, no, you can't get down there, and it goes down there. So.
Tom says the biggest bad habit I have is saying hell with it, let it go. I'll just buy another account for $100. Hey, that's the
that is.
We get it. We get so far down. We're like, F it, it's over, whatever.
Yeah.
So the problem with that, Tom, the problem I had, and thank goodness for Mike, he's a great friend. One day he says to me, dude, you don't need to buy 15 at a time.
No, it wasn't one day. It was several weeks before I convinced you. You're hard-headed.
I don't know if we need to exaggerate. But anyways, over the course of a few days, Mike convinced me, dude, stop buying 15. If you're just going to F it and let them blow, right? Just get your frustrations out on one account. Spend $100 or $200 instead of a couple thousand, right? I was like, yeah, I finally gave in. And guess what happened? That one account, I got that bad boy to a big payout. Like, what was it, Mike? Like $4,000 payout or something?
Yeah.
It was pretty decent. And then I used that money to buy a second account. Got them both to pay out. Bought a third account. Got it to pay out. That in the course of like 2 weeks, I maxed out on payouts with TPT, and they moved me to live. So just that one little change.
Yeah, was it
got
like
me over
3 weeks about 30 grand, or 2 weeks about 30 grand?
Yeah.
Payouts?
Yeah, it was pretty big. Got me green on the year and everything. So that was pretty.
Hey, and he was pretty Debbie Downer for a little while too.
Oh yeah, I was in the dumps for sure. Oh, you guys know how it feels. I was in a slump too. I couldn't pass a friggin' account for my life. I was in that mode. Let me know if any of you guys ever feel that way, where you just all of a sudden feel like, okay, I don't have an edge anymore. Something changed. My trading doesn't work. I'm done with this. I gotta either learn something new or just be done. And it's just the market just changes. The regime changes. The volatility changes. Everything changes. I bounced back, and thankfully it was Mike's idea. Just do one, dude. Don't do 15 or 20 accounts. Just do one.
He's like, no, I'm gonna get that one account to pay out, and I could have had it across all these accounts. I'm like, it doesn't matter. If you can do it in one, you'll be able to build it back.
Yeah. So anyhow, that's what turned things around for me this year, anyhow. Until tonight. Yes, truth. That is the truth for sure. That's my problem. I'll get so far down on a trade, I'm like, well, I was clearly wrong. Let me just double down or triple down on it, get out at break even, and I'm done, right? Horrible decision, because for anybody that knows Fibonacci levels, right, it works in these little tiny moves too, right? So say you're scalping the NQ. Well, by the time, for me anyways, by the time I mentally decide, well, this has gone way too far against me, let me triple down on it and get out at break even. Well, my break even is much more of a retracement than what the move's going to give me, right? It's probably going to give me 38%. My entry's way up there at like 60 or 70%. It rarely ever comes back. So that's the problem. And then it happens 2 out of 10 times. So our brain convinces us that it works when really it doesn't. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're at 866. It hit it. Yeah, it's looking pretty ugly.
Oh, dang it. I didn't realize I was muted.
Oh, you were muted that whole time?
Yeah, me and Jesse were talking. You guys missed it.
Oh, you missed Mike's side of the whole conversation.
Yeah, I gave out all the secrets.
Oh boy.
But anyways, we should do the duck race, get out of the way. There's going to be 2 winners. Oh, we got to do a poll first. So duck number 1 is going to be a winner. And we got to vote for the other one.
Yeah, so what are the options? The options would be second place, last place, or a random number. Or a random number. Hey, Stello, yeah, I've got a YouTube channel. I don't do much with it, but every once in a while, if Mike's busy or out of town or something, I'll go live for the power hour in the middle of the day. Every once in a while. All right, who's got your ducks trained up and ready to go?
Which duck should be the second winner? So the number 1 duck that finishes first will be winner number 1. Winner number 2, do we want it to be the last place duck, second place duck, duck 13, or duck 16? Let's do this. Hey Siri, set timer for 5 minutes.
Okay, so we've got last, second, 13, or 6.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go. I'm putting in my vote here. All right, got my votes in. What's my channel?
Now,
Shoot, I don't even know my channel.
Now, if you guys do want a chance to be in the duck race, 1, make sure you are signed up to the email list down below. First link in the description box down below. 2, make sure your email is confirmed. Otherwise, if you win, I can't find you. You're going to forfeit. Then 3, I'm going to give out a key phrase. You guys are going to type it into the chat and spam the chat with the key phrase, and Nightbot will pick out some random winners. So let's go. Done there.
Hey, we're back down to our normal viewership. Woohoo! The bots dropped off.
Oh, they'll pick back up. It's stupid, but whatever.
Our friend ran out of money.
No, he'll be back. Or he fell asleep. Okay.
Link unable to open. What link? Is the TPT link broken? Let me try it. Hold on. Nah, it works for me.
Maybe they're saying the sign up.
Let me try that. Hold on. Giveaway sign up. Let's make sure it works. Yeah, it works for me.
Yes, I don't know. You don't know. Eating a boot.
It's the giveaway sign up. Here, I'll put it in the chat too, just so you guys got it.
TPT link doesn't work for me.
The TPT link in the description or the Nightbot one? Because I tried the Nightbot one. Here's the sign up. Here's the link to go sign up. If you're not on the email list, you better get it done now. And you better confirm it when it emails you back. Let me go find the TPT link in the description.
Nightbot one worked when I clicked on it.
Yeah, the Nightbot one worked. Now I'm going to try the one in the description of the video. That one works too, so I think we're good. Yeah, it worked. So I don't know.
It says error 404.
Really?
I don't know.
That might be an issue with your internet in your area or something. The one in the comments. It worked for me. That's weird.
I don't know. I just don't know.
Okay, Stella made a typo and put an F instead of a D in the word duck.
No, that's the way I feel about tonight.
Good thing you
Duck
caught
it,
it though.
duck it, duck it, duck it.
Yeah, just duck it.
If you can dodge a ball, you can dodge a wrench.
Hey, Mongo, I tell Mike stuff like that all the time. He says, "Nope, I'm staying up all night if I have to." So, thank you for that.
I will too.
Yeah, he won't go rest.
Yeah, I won't.
He'll
Gotta get it back.
He'll chip away at it until he's back. So.
Or I'll just start crying. Wife will be like, "Hey, what's wrong? Look what they did to me."
And then I have to call him up and say, "Dude, it's not even real quicksand. You're good. Let's go."
It's easy for him to say. He's not in it. So, oh man, I think this timer is gonna end here in 1 minute. 1 minute and 10 seconds, and then we'll see which is going to be the second place duck. Now remember, you gotta be on the email list. Spam the chat with the key phrase I'm about to give out here in just a few moments. Yeah, my bot's over here. Yeah. Stupid NASDAQ. Oh man. We'll see.
I mean, it got tired of hearing all of us babies cry and whine and moan and groan about how slow and no moves and blah, blah, blah for the last week or two. And then, all right, it says, okay, hold my beer.
Hey, Nikkei is going to be open back up here in about 2 minutes.
All right.
I'll see what's going to happen.
Give it a little pump here.
Probably need lows. Just so you know, like it's... How much longer? Oh.
There's some buyers stepping in.
All right. All right, let's see what the poll was.
Nice little pop there.
End it? Yeah, it is.
Let's see if they can keep it going.
Sure hope so. Sports equipment deep. Not really, but... No, it's not halted.
Raphael says, go up.
All right, so it looks like the first place duck and the last place duck are going to be the winners. Now,
all right,
I'm going to go ahead and give out that key phrase. I just want to see the Nikkei open up real quick, and then I'll give out the key phrase. You guys can spam the chat. I just went long again a few moments ago. Like, I'm long right now. Open it pulls back. I want to see how this Nikkei opens. Should open here any moment. Regression channels, I should have waited. Same thing that got me on the long side last week. Hey, Train Game, good morning. Oh, we got gap down. Hey, so Nikkei's down almost 1,400 now.
Woo! Hopefully they're pulling their money out of there to stick it in the NQ.
No, they're coming down to get me. All right, so hey, I'm going to type in the key phrase real quick. I'm going to type in the key phrase, type it into the chat, and Nightbot's going to pick out some winners, and we're going to put the winners into a duck race. Names, edit. All right. The key phrase is going to be dropped in 3, 2, 1. Beep. Hey, nice try. Gotta give Apple credit for that one.
Nice
I almost used that one. I almost.
All right, so for anybody new, you got to copy and paste and send. Copy, paste, send, paste, send, paste, send. Just spam the chat with that, and Nightbot's going to pick some people to get entered into the duck race. Here we go.
Oh, boy. I didn't do a notepad. These names. Oh, boy. I'm already messing up. Just in case. All right. Where'd it go? Well, I don't want to have a problem where we pick all the winners and then it deletes them again.
Yeah.
That would suck. And I had to take another long too. So. Spaces, you have a spot? Let's reroll. Donna. Reroll. Mr. Full Port. Yeah, tonight would not have been a good night for me to full port.
Yeah.
If I'm not pronouncing your name, sorry, I probably just can't. I don't want to butcher your name. Now, once Nightbot goes through and picks 10 to 12 people out, I'm going to hand select a few people I've seen here on a regular basis. Miranda, you have a spot?
Hey, I just noticed it
What?
went over my head, but I love the code you're using. TPT 3-day pass. I love it.
All right,
I
not
might
just
have
gonna
to-
pick out one more.
I might have to get me some of those accounts, Mike. Or I guess I should probably get an account.
Let's see. All right. All right, let me scroll through the chat now.
Okay, you guys can stop spamming the chat.
Yeah,
Nightbot's picks are done.
Asher, you got a spot. Adam, you have a spot. Where's Sod's in here?
Yeah, I haven't seen Sods around.
No, he's not in here. Eagle Eye, you have a spot. Alley Cat, you have a spot.
Oh. That was gonna be my pick if you gave me a pick. So I'm glad Alley Cat's in. Good.
Sports Equipment.
I like how that's become the nickname.
I see Apple. I don't even see Apple. I just see Sports Equipment.
Me too. Me too.
Trucking for Dividends. Give you a spot. Hedge, I'll give you a spot. I don't even know how many people we have in here yet. Peter S, give you a spot. Stupid market. Ooh, I gotta delete that off there. All right, let's scroll down. Frank, you have a spot. Man, Elevated Life, you've been at a lot. You haven't won yet, I don't think. Elevated Life, I'm gonna give you a spot. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got 23. How many people do you think we should put in here?
24 if you give me a pick.
Dang it, I just saw the one I wanted. It jumped. There it is. Roach, you have a spot? All right. All right, who do you want to pick?
Frank. I'm giving Frank.
I already put Frank in there.
Frank, you're in?
Yeah, Frank the second.
Ah, shoot. Okay.
Don't be trying to claim the person. Don't do it.
I'm gonna claim the pick.
Golf and Source already in there. Oh, trading game, you have a spot. So remember, the first place duck and the last place duck, we're all gonna have a spot. All get a chance to win.
Can I still pick one? Sorry.
What the? I just put all the names in. Who'd you want to pick?
The new guy. What was his name? Rerish.
Can you type it in? I can't. I don't see it.
Let me see. At RER. Here we go. I'm sending it in the chat there. There it is. Oh, YouTube thinks it's a different language. Oh, that's fun.
All right. All right, let's see who's going to win. Who's it going to be?
All right, here we go.
Nikkei's trying to come back.
Oh, crap. Frank, I forgot about myself. I was going to try to get in. I totally spaced. That's okay. I'll try to get in the next one tomorrow.
All right.
I don't think it'd be a good look, Frank, if I picked myself.
I'll pick someone. All right, Jesse. All right, on your marks. Get set. Ooh, not yet. On your marks. Get set. Beep. Remember, there's going to be 2 winners. So just because your duck is not in first doesn't mean you don't have a chance to win. I'm balling.
Oh, yeah, the second winner, what was it? Last place?
Yeah, I'm balling right now. Might be able to go to bed.
Good. I'm assuming you went sporting equipment deep down there at the bottom, and now we're ripping up.
A little bit.
Okay.
I'm not like, if I wasn't on stream, it's not a size I wouldn't trade. Not on stream. It's not crazy. It's only 3 deep. Oh man.
Ooh.
Can Super Duck pull it off?
Super Duck. Ken's trying to.
Come on, bad boy, get it.
DA. Learn to trading. Whoa. Roach is coming on strong.
Roach.
Woo!
Roach for the #1 spot.
Hey, nice race, guys.
Anyway, here's my trade. Oof. Peeling one off. Thank you very much. I'm peeling a second one off. I'm moving my stop in the money.
Nice.
And I'm still down.
Yeah, it's all right.
I should have closed them all out. I got my stop in the money, though. All right, so let me go check the email now.
Let's see if it bounces off that 200. You can get out on the bounce.
Okay, I can close it out now and be up for the day. Not much.
There's the bounce. Yeah. Well, I'm delayed. I'm watching your stream is delayed a little bit, but. Hey, congrats, Roach. Here, let me put it in the chat.
Oh, Roach, hey, where am I looking? All right. Hey, Roach. What?
KEI.
KEI?
Yeah.
I think he won recently.
That was a nice come from behind right there, too, Roach. He just came screaming through.
Yep. I think he won. I wonder if it was a TPT. Hopefully it was TPT one.
Hunting Pip says, I never get a spot. Hey, Hunting Pips.
I never see you in here.
As long as you're trying, you'll get in there.
Oh, yeah, it was TPT. All right, so I already have your information. Let me see. Yep. This.
Hey,
the first one. Yeah.
While Mike's doing that, hey, Hunting Pips, I just looked at your activity here. Looks like you only put in the TPT 3-day pass. You typed it in only one time, right? You got to remember, Nightbot picks, like, it's based on it's random picks. So if you type it in once and everybody else has got thousands of posts, your odds are less, right? So you gotta copy and paste it, paste send over and over. You got to spam the chat. That'll get you in.
All right, let's see. Who's going to be the next winner?
Oh,
Who's going to be rewarded for being the last duck?
That's right. I forgot.
Hey, and the winners, I'll email you guys tomorrow once I get confirmation the account's been transferred over. I mean, I'm balling out on this trade right here.
Heck yeah.
Almost back at session highs.
Told
All
you
right,
it was gonna bounce from your 200. I knew it.
How many people do we have in here?
I don't know. It's like 30, wasn't
it? Hedged.
What?
The hedge pulls it off.
Woo!
All right. Hedge, what's the first 3 letters of your email?
What's up, right guy? Good to see you. The fly guy.
All right, let's see. Is Hedge still in here or did he leave?
Oh, I hope he's still here. LPR. Yeah, he says LPR.
Oh, perfect.
Every time I see that sack of money next to his name, it makes me think of something else.
Oh man, I've seen some funny things recently.
Is it just me, Hedged, or did you do that on purpose? Oh yeah, Hunting Pips. Yeah, I get it. Next time, just throw down. You'll get in there. Trish says I spammed until my fingers hurt. Mongo, good to see you. Good night.
Hey, good night, Mongo.
The bots never came back too. We're holding strong at 387 viewers. Hey,
they'll be back.
Make sure you guys all hit that like button. And if you're new here and you're just listening in, make sure you subscribe and hit like and join Mike every morning for New York.
Yeah, every day this week we'll definitely have at least every stream we'll have at least 2 TPT accounts to give away. And
Hey, Rich, no problem. Good to meet you. And I try to join Mike and be on here as a guest as often as I can. Usually only at night, though. In the morning, I'm sleeping. I'm 3 hours behind behind most of you people.
no excuse.
30-point bounce so far. Yeah, it's a nice one, huh, Frank? Hey, Mike, how many you have on there still?
Just one.
Oh, okay.
I can get out and be up for the day, but I'm hoping for a little bit more.
Dude, where'd that get you last time?
I know. I know I'm playing with fire here, but
Can we at least move the stop up to the 200?
probably could. But yeah, I realize I'm not a smart guy.
I'm not a smart guy.
That would be the smart thing to do.
Okay, Stello, good to meet you too. Good to meet you too. Look forward to seeing you hanging out here with us nightly or on the morning stream.
Hey, Hedge, I sent you an email. So if you can reply back to that email and give me the appropriate information, I can email Take Profit Trader tonight. If you wait and I don't get it back till tomorrow, then it'll be longer before I can send them the email. I'll wait till the giveaway tomorrow during the stream. So the sooner you get back to me, the sooner I can forward your information to Take Profit Trader. And if you've never had an account with Take Profit Trader, make sure you go over there, create a username, password. Do not buy anything. Don't buy anything. Just go there and create an account so we can get this account transferred over to you.
Hey, John says appendages regenerate overnight. Yeah, yes, they do.
Maybe.
All I need to do is buy a couple new evals.
That's it. Oh, hey, Roach, I had your information from you won at the end of July. So I had your information. I searched the email there and found it. So I already have your information to forward over there to him. So you're good, Roach.
Hey, Hunting Pips, 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern time.
I say 8:30, but I have been going on.
But
I've been coming on at 8 o'clock. I just don't know how long it takes to put my daughter to bed and stuff. So I always have it set up for 8:30, but usually I'm on. I try to be on by 8 o'clock. Just in case. Man. Hey, so when I'm up 800, if I close it, I'll be up about 500 for the night.
Yeah, and there's a bubble up here too, which usually means at the top of a move, it's not.
That means they're buying it. Time to get more aggressive. I like the way you're thinking. I need to double down.
The buyers are buying the top of the move, which is not good. They're about.
That means they see something we don't see.
No. We see what they're not seeing is the problem.
No. They got to be right this time.
Hey, Rye Guy, usually right around until about this time. So Mike's probably getting ready to shut it down and say goodnight here in a few minutes, I would guess.
No, hey, Tris. I'm not yet. I still got to get my money back.
You got your money back.
No, I haven't closed it. I haven't closed it.
Oh, it's not realized yet. Okay.
Yeah. Hey, Tris, so the email you give me does not have to be the same as the one you sign up with Take Profit Trader. But if you do win, I'll send you an email and you can give me that email so I can forward it to them. I don't want nobody dropping their email on here. It'd be a hot mess. Your email might start getting botted. You know, I probably should take it. That'd be the smart thing to do. Man, if I get a little bit more, I can be at session highs.
Well, here's the way I think about it. If you think it's going higher, close it, wait for a little pullback, and go again. That's what I do.
Or just let it ride.
That works.
Oh, you already sent the info? Perfect.
But you're risking what could have been realized in that case. For example, don't let it come back $200. There you go. There's your stop, right? $200 stop. Careful. If it hits that 200, I'd be out, right? Treat that as real money.
I want more. I like to get 1,000 out. See 1,000 up. I see 1,000, I'll kill it.
The way I would think about it is, if, say I got in that trade way up there, if it comes against me $200, it hits my stop, I'm out.
Yeah, but I'm in way down here. Like my stop's in the money.
Hey, move that damn stop up to the 200, please.
Okay, you want me to move it up? All right, look. I moved it up. Oh, that goes right back down. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know how that works. It just doesn't want to go up there.
Watch you accidentally throw it up above price and it takes you out. Actually, I don't think Ninja doesn't let that happen with stops, only the targets, I think. It'll reject it if you do that with a stop.
Oh, yeah, I think it does.
Because it doesn't let you put limits above price or something weird like that. I don't know.
Come on. I don't need much more. Another 5 points.
Have a good night, Frank. Good to see you, bud.
Hey, I'm thinking about just letting this trade ride all night while I'm sleeping.
No, let's not get crazy.
I mean, let's think about... Hey, because look, if it goes all the way back up, that would be a gap fill. You know how much money I'd make on that trade?
Yeah, but you're tired.
That's what we have to do. No, I think that's the smart thing to do. Think about how much money could be made on that. I'm in at a good price. There's no way it can go back down there. Impossible.
Oh, yeah. No way.
I wake up, be like, oh.
Hey, let me remind you, this bounce we just had is roughly the same exact size bounce we got earlier after that big 500 lot. And then what happened? We flushed.
Yeah, but see, now what I can do, because I've got some of that money back, I can just DCA on the way down. That's when it goes back up.
Hey, whenever I try that, guess what happens? I lose all my green, and then I lose all my red.
Yeah, but, I mean, anybody can get green. The question is, can you go green to red and get it back? That's the challenge.
I guess where's the fun in just making money?
Yeah, I mean, that's the easy part. It's the thrill of the game that makes it worth it.
Yeah, DJ Case, he's totally messing around. The chances of it going all the way back up there probably slim to none.
Yeah, I'm not going to hold that overnight.
Yeah, I mean, it's
might go overnight. It's going to stop me out before that.
Yeah, I mean, who knows what it does tonight during London and tomorrow morning, but right now, before we go to bed, it ain't getting back up there. No way.
I think it heard me joking around. It's like, oh, you don't think I can go down there? Watch this. Oh, that's going to really upset me. The video is coming out tomorrow on the Rinkos. It's already posted on YouTube. Members can already watch it, but everyone else will be able to see it tomorrow.
Good night, Hedged.
Yeah, good night.
Where did I miss a question about the Renko bars?
Yeah.
What the heck? Where's that?
2 up, 3 up.
Oh, yeah, Carl. All right. Sweet, Carl. Yep, tomorrow. I use the same bars, just a bigger version. Later, David. Good to see you.
I see you later, David.
281 souls on board. Hit that like button.
Yeah, because there's no telling how many we really have. Not yet, anyways.
Yeah, later tonight when YouTube gets rid of all the crap. Good night, Lee. Good to see you.
I'm just hoping to get up a little bit more on this.
1 horsepower says bigger is always better.
Oh, is that what you say about your women?
Carl, the yellow 9s. Mike has a video about the 9 count indicator.
Actually, you can just type in 9. Hold on.
Yeah, exclamation 9, and it'll give you a link.
And to show you how you can get the indicator for free.
Now, in all fairness, Mike did modify it a little bit so the 9s stand out a little more, but you can at least get the free indicator by watching that video there.
Well, I give him the 9 count like I have it, where it stands out. But the one for TradingView, I don't think stands out as much. Come on.
John says this could be a really big VWAP trade, Mike. Oh, I didn't even pay attention to the.
Hey, see, John. Hey, John. See, John's on to something. Hey, that's another. Woo! That's another 100 points.
But listen, aren't you nervous?
No, I'm not nervous. It's going there, baby. John's right.
We're about to run into that
Ah, look at this. We got ABC pattern here too. Come on, what could go wrong? John said he'll reimburse me.
Reimburse you.
No, I'm out. I'm just joking. I'm out. I'm
You're
not playing. Yeah, I'm out. I think that puts me at session highs.
Thank God. Thank you. Hey, Carl. Carl says you guys sound great together. Thanks, Carl. Appreciate that. Nice trade, dude. Nice comebacks.
Man.
Session highs, right?
I think it's good enough for me. I don't know. I think.
Listen, for anybody who's kind of new to trading, and even myself, been doing this 5 years, here's what we need to learn from what just happened to Mike. Take your stops. Don't move them and add. Move them and add. Move them. Just take the stops, because you could take a lot of small stops and come back from that in 1 or 2 big trades. Brilliant work, dude. Brilliant.
Yeah, but what I did bad, I was 2 or 3 trades. I was up about $800 on it. Came back for a loss.
But you took
that sucked.
Yeah,
but I should have at least had it at break even. Worst case scenario. At least.
Personally, I don't like the whole break even thing. I like what you.
Oh, you really give him $200?
Yep.
Yeah, after being up 800.
Because if you go to listen, I think at least when I ran my numbers, okay, if I move to break even after X, even the best numbers possible, it's still a losing proposition, because it'll tag you at break even and then friggin' go, and you miss that trade.
Yeah, but you just said move your stop. You guys were telling me to move my stop, and you're like, oh yeah, I don't do that though.
No, but
it's a losing proposition.
No. I wasn't saying move it to break even. I said move it way up there. David James, welcome.
Yeah, add to NQ will smoke you pretty good. I agree. All right, so I'm going to jump off. That way I can go to bed tonight before I do anything else stupid. And I'm going to set the stream up for tomorrow morning. So if you guys want to join me, we'll be giving away 2 more Take Profit Trader accounts in the morning. So join us on the live stream. I look forward to seeing you guys there tomorrow. With that being said, take care. If you're green, stay green. Don't be a fool like I was, and give your money back. Take care.